না সেটা হিয়ারিং কোন করে হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ খালি নোট পাই, খালি নোট।
The opposite party number 1 to 3 filed an application before the Commissioner for Employee Compensation from Divisional Labour Commission, Jaipur. The matter was transferred to Commissioner Malkanagiri. There was a settlement between the petitioner, the employer of the deceased, and the opposite party number 1 to 3, the claimants. Pursuant to that, the petitioner number 1 to 3 filed an application for withdrawal of the application along with the affidavit.
Okay.
But
So what is the issue? Why have you come here?
the issue is that the commissioner did not allow the withdrawal. The order, your lordship, may come to annexure 40.
So let the, you are for the,
Petitioner, the
Petitioner.
owner of the vehicle, the employer of the deceased.
let notice be issued to the opposite party, please.
My lord, opposite party number 4 is formal opposite party, notice may not be issued. Insurance company.
এটি কি কি opposite party আছে?
সেটি ଥିଲା ইন্স্যুরান্স কোম্পানি তার এଥିରେ লেনଦେନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
তো কাହା against ଆପଣଙ୍କର settlement ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କର you are the employer, employee ସାଙ୍ଗରେ settlement ହେଲା, କାହିଁ settlement ର କଣ ଅଛି terms condition କଣ ଦେଖେଇଲେ?
ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ତ ଓରାଲି ହେଇଛି,
Orally ଏମିତି ଆମେ ବିଲିଭ କରିବୁ।
ସେମାନେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଉଡ୍ରାଲ।
Sir ମୋତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ settlement ର written settlement ଦେଖ, ମୁଁ orally high court ରେ writ petition ରେ ମୁଁ oral settlement
there has been a petition follow ମାନେ been accompanied by affidavit.
କାହିଁ ସେଟା କାହିଁ?
ସେଟା ହଉଛି annexure 2 series your lordship ନେଇଛି।
Annexure 2.
Annexure to page 11 to 12. The petition page 12 your lordship ନେଇଛି। They have filed an affidavit.
Both have who has filed the affidavit?
The petitioner has filed an affidavit. The applicant, the opposite party number 1 to 3, they have filed an affidavit. As a matter of fact, they can withdraw that application, their application.
Why he is not allowed to for the
No reason has been assigned,
simply
not sustainable in law, that much.
नहीं जदि एम्प्लॉयर जदि देला पैसा से लोक जदि नेला चुपचाप
ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ। Until and unless petition is incriminating,
क्रिमिनल केस न है ना,
incriminating nature नहले ताले withdrawal କରିବାର କିଛି problem ନାହିଁ।
yeah.
Let notice go to 1 to opposite party number 1 to
Okay, issue notice of it. I'll just check it whether they are total. I'll allow it.
only one IA first day of the procedure.
Yeah. Issue notice. The petition and the writ petition challenges the order dated 17 to 2021 passed by the Learned Commissioner for Employees Compensation from Divisional Labour Commissioner Malkangiri, rejecting memo filed by the opposite party 1 to 3 dated 24/11/2020 for withdrawal of the VC case number 4 of 2019 based on a settlement between the parties. However, the said withdrawal was not allowed by the Commissioner for Employees Compensation from Divisional Commission. Hence, the petitioner is consent to approve to this court. Let notice be issued to open number 1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. No?
Well, the interim application for stay. That's the insurance company. Well, the interim application for stay of the
Okay.
proceeding.
In the meantime, there should be stay of the operation of the order dated. Stay for the proceeding in EC case number 4 of 2019 pending before the Commissioner for Employees Compensation from Divisional Labour Commissioner Malkangiri. List the matter 3rd September. It is जल्दी सर्जी हो जाती ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟିମେସନ ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିଯାଆନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଉ ସେ ଆସିଯିବନି 1 2 3 ଆସିଯିବ
I'm giving short date unnecessary क्या 12 ସରିଯିବ ଏଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମ୍ୟାଟର
କେବେ
13 ଆପଣ intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ। ପଠା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Next.
Item number 2,
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. And the petition has challenged the order dated 3/5/2024 passed by the learned SCDRC Odisha Cuttack Maladi in area number 17 of
ST.
SCDR State Consumer Dispute Resolution
What
Commission.
what is the?
But the appeal has been dismissed due to non-prosecution.
The appeal dismiss non-prosecution, why every time High Court is taken as the recourse? High Court writ petition is not the recourse. If you are not appearing in the matter, if you are not prosecuting, then you
No, no,
should
no,
suffer. Why
what-
should High Court will
what
come to
happened
the
actually
rescue?
due
Sir,
to-
sorry, I
Well,
can't. No,
due
this is
to
not
change of panel council,
possible. Change of penal council, all these things are Purana drama.
that no, 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 that's why it was non-prosecution.
Every
And your lordship,
this kind of petitions are being filed.
your lordship,
Why should the court will entertain this thing?
your lordship has
You
already.
went to convince them.
Your lordship has already, what happened actually in the old act, there was no provision.
Case pass kar I already passed, already
No,
passed,
no,
already passed.
In old act, my lord, there is no provision for restoration. That's why,
Old act ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ କୋଉ act ରେ ଆପଣ ବଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି?
no, old act it was filed earlier.
Hmm.
But when new act came into force, there was a provision for review application. But when we filed the review application under new act, can I have a glance to the impugned order?
ଏଟା କେବେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା?
Well, it is 2010 ମସିହାର
2010 ର କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ସରି
ନାଇଁ,
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ଏଇଟା-
ତଥାପି ଇଏ ହେଲାନି।
ତାପରେ ଆମେ
Give me that order.
but
Give
I
me that
have
order.
annexed your lordship's order at annex
Yeah,
3,
not-
page 16-7.
Yeah, everybody is coming to ଇଏ କଣ ଆମ defect curing
Act
center ଏଟା।
ଭିତରେ conflict ଯେହେତୁ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ। ଓଲ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା ନ୍ୟୁ ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ। ଓଲ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଟରଟେନ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା। Page 16-7.
This shall not be treated as a precedent in any other case.
I don't see the same, madam.
Next.
item 3,
I don't see the same, madam.
Huh?
I don't see the same.
Three.
See the same.
Three ଗୋଟେ ସମାନ।
এটা ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ এটা ରେଲୱେ।
ତମେ ତ ଏଠି ଏପିଆର କରୁନ ସେଠି ଏପିଆର କରୁଥିବ ତମେ।
ନାଇଁ, କରୁଛୁ।
ହଁ
ନାଇଁ,
ତମେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କେତେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
Change of
ଆଉ
panel-
ପାଠ ପଢାନି ମତେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ସବୁ ଅଧା ଅଧରୁ ଅଧିକ ମ୍ୟାଟର କାଉନସିଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ତମେ ସେଠି ଏପିଆର କରୁଥିବ ଯେ ତମର ଡିସମିସ ନ ହବ ସବୁ କେହି ନଥିବେ ସେଠି ଆଉ କଥା କୁହନି ଆଉ ସୁଧାର ଘର ସୁଧାର ନହେଲେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କେତେ
Kindly have a glance to page 25.
ମାନେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ଫର୍ମ ରେ କରିବେ ତାପରେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
Near Busbusa village from dated 14/1/2023 to 18/1/2023. Here, last findings of the order, my lord. Point number 2. However, the pattern and the distribution of the injuries, the injury detected over the body of the deceased, as mentioned in the post-mortem report, being produced only by the attack of an elephant appears unlikely in the face of aforementioned contents in the requisition of the DFO Gumsura Northern Division, accordingly rejected. Say
Page
elephant
27, my lord. Kindly have a glance, page 27. The Dr. Saman Kumar Visai, post PGD resident, Department of Forensic Medicine and Technology, MKC, the medical manner. The following opinion manner, the external injury one mentioned in the postmortem report can be possible by throwing away of the deceased by an elephant with its trunk.
Can be possible.
Again, my lord, in page 15,
possibilities may be possible may not
my
be
lord,
possible.
the
is
circumstantial
possibility.
evidence, my lord,
The
page 15 and
possibility is
16.
certain
Circumstantial
that
evidence.
it is possible.
My lord, basing on circumstantial evidence under section 161 of CRPC by the witnesses, page 15 and 16, my lord.
Who witness ଦେଖିଲା
ଯାଇଥିଲା sir this spot.
କିଏ witness ହାତୀକୁ ଦେଖିଲା କି?
ସେ ହାତୀ
ସେ
ପାଦ
ପାହାଚ-
ଚିହ୍ନ ପଡିଛି, ମଳତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଅଛି my lord. 15 and 16, my lord.
ତ କିଏ ସେଟା ଦେଖିଲା କିଏ ଦେଖିଲା
ସେ ଭିଲେଜର ଗୁଡା ଦୁଃଖୀ ନାୟକ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲୋକାଲ ଲୋକମାନେ ନେଇଥିବେ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଦେଖେଇ ଦେଇଥିବେ କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଦେଖିଲେ
page 15 last par
15
page 15 ମୃତ ଶରୀର ଭୁସଭୁସା ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ପଡିଛି ଏ ଖବର ପାଇ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇ ଦେଖିଲୁ ସେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ମରି ପଡିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ମର ଶରୀର ପାଖରେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ହାତୀର ପାଦ ଚିହ୍ନ ପଡିଅଛି ଓ ସେଠାରେ ହାତୀ ମଳତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଅଛି।
ଏଇଟାର କଣ evidentiary value ଅଛି?
ଏରା ଏଥିରେ କଣ
ୟାର evidentiary value କଣ ଅଛି?
ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ଓପିନିଅନ କୁ ନେବୁ ନା ଇଏ ଲୋକ ଗାଁର ଆଉ ଦୁଇ ଚାରିଟା ଲୋକ କହିଦେଲେ ଯେ ସେଟାକୁ ମାନିବୁ हाथी तो के देखी ना ना
तापर से पोर्टल रे भी समान देखिले जो इंटरनेट रे सेटा लिखिचंदी से ऑर्डर रे रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर रे सेई टाइम रे देयर वाज नो एलिफेंट पॉपुलेशन मूवमेंट ऑफ द एलिफेंट पॉपुलेशन
ताले सब जिनसे जानी बाबू पोर्टल रे सब हाथी रो मूवमेंट भी पोर्टल कहि दउछ
से जो एलएमएस रो से जो पोर्टल टा
एलएमएस केमती तो हाथी रे सेठी कोन लगई छ सेठी
क्या जदी जदी सेठी कैमरा
रे
लगे
कोनी एलिफेंट मूवमेंट रो पूरा डिटेल मो पाखरे अछि गजा रिपोर्ट आई हैव गजा रिपोर्ट कोठी तमर लगई छ गुटे भी एटा देखिलो मते कोठी हाइजे सीसीटीवी फुटेज लगई छ जंगल तार कथा उडा काई मोटर से पोर्टल रे देखि देला से जानि दो एते बड़ पंडितटा हिची हाथी को बाटर गला से पोर्टल रे जानुछ एते यदि एडवांस तो थांता तो हाथी गुटी मरंता ने देश रे काई एते रेलवे ट्रैक रे मरछन दिन को 100 है मरछ वर्ष को सब पाखा 40 टा 50 टा मरंती रेलवे ट्रैक रे हाथी ताले एते रेलवे ट्रैक रे तमर सीसीटीवी नाही आ जंगल भीतर सीसीटीवी रही अलीपुर द्वार जो अच्छी हमर कलकत्ता आसाम भीतर लाइन रे से लाइन रे सब अधिक मरंती गवर्नमेंट को से गवर्नमेंट हैज टेकन लॉट ऑफ स्टेप्स टू curb the elephant mortality on that track but not ए जाय बंद होनी सेठी मरछथि काई गवर्नमेंट तो किछ कर पानी आ तम हला ई जो कोन जगन्नाथ प्रसाद जंगल रे से ट्रैक करी इंटरनेट रे सब जानि देले आबे ना याको कथा बिलीव ना तम कथा बिलीव कार कथा बिलीव एते तमर फॉरेस्ट वाला एते एडवांस एते सब जानि दउछ फॉरेस्ट वाला डाकले तो ओडिसा रे केतरा ओडिसा भीतर केतरा एलिफेंट जो कॉरिडोर बतेबे 7टा कॉरिडोर अछि 7टा कॉरिडोर 4टा कॉरिडोर जास करंते बाकी 3टा कॉरिडोर एंदी कि 3टा कॉरिडोर अछि बोली कहा जाय किंतु फॉरेस्ट वाला कोई आज्ञा 2टा कॉरिडोर अछि कोन आई नो दैट डोंट से एते मत हाथी ऊपर डोंट आई हाथी मोर हैव डन लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च I was arguing a matter of PL in this elephant death in the railway track. I know that. The advance नहीं था मतलब मुझे गवर्नमेंट कहाँ गया हाथी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी जाए तांगो ये कर दियो पॉपुलेशन को कम कर दियो जा इंजेक्शन दे दियो पॉपुलेशन आउ हबनी एटा गवर्नमेंट रा आईडिया माने हाथी बढ़ी गले पॉपुलेशन कमाया पे इंजेक्शन माने हाथी को देख रे कुकुर को बंद कर पड़नो हाथी को बंद कर this is the government plan so this is again animal right violation you can't do that so anyway
but whatever the decision was
but
taken by the authority,
your officer on what basis is saying that it was not
findings of the postmortem report my lord I am reading it
postmortem doctor तो कहू could be possibility
नहीं findings are देखो opinion regarding cause of death of the disease is kept reserved external injury 1 is suggestive of perimortem in nature and which would have been caused
अच्छा
by
मते
the blunt impact
गोटे कथा कहला से एक्सटर्नल इंजरी हाथी मारछि कि घोड़ा मारछि कि जानला से कोन जान परिवन कोड जान इवन फॉल भी पर जोर से वो पहाड़ के पड़ी गला भी तो इट माइट सीम टू लाइक थ्रोइंग फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस किछ भी परे बट डॉक्टर एट द एंड कहू छी जे देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी कैन बी रूल्ड आउट केते टका 2 लाख टका
4 लाख
4 लाख कोर्ट कांट डिसाइड ऑल दिस थिंग्स तो केते सत्ता मिछ एते बडे केन रिपोर्ट बेसिस रे देखले त आपण बोलुनी आपण कोड बनछि सर आपण को हिसाब रे बनु नाही जस्ट बिकॉज़ गां लोक देखि दिले हाथी रो गवर्नमेंट तो सब कहबो आ आपण कोनटा करथि ताले आपण जंगल जेगिर गछ काटबा सरकार कहिदिला जेगिर तो लुचि लुचि सब गछ खत्म कर दुछन भीतर काटि दि खत्म आ बिकि दुछन मार्केट आ गवर्नमेंट रे कुछ कोनी तमे का बिकि जंगल काई जोतलो के आ सब तो गवर्नमेंट रे ड्यूटी आ तमे कोन करबो government duty की कथा कहउछन सो इट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू फाइंड आउट यू इट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट आपण कोन करिवे आपण फैमिली लोक कोन करिवे इज देय बनी देयर इज नो I'm not getting anything clue from this report. The public money, sir, can't be wasted like this. Our pura paka dekhantu,
Kindly adjourn the matter.
and there is a con hello. The Kalipura ekdam hati bad pahad father was died due to elephant stampede. ଏଥିରେ କଣ ମିଳିବ? ଏଇଟା କି କରିଛି ଏଟା external injury suggestive of primate of nature. However, the injury is not possible by elephant trampling. Doctor ବି କହୁଛି not possible. ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଟା possible ବୋଲି?
27 page ରେ can be possible.
ସେଇ ଡକ୍ଟର not possible ଫେର ଏଟା କି ଜଣେ କହିଲା can be possible ବୋଲି? ଏଟା inspector in charge. Inspector କଣଟା କହିପାରିବେ?
The external injury one mentioned in the postmortem report can be possible by
No,
throwing away of the
no ହେଇପାରିବନି. ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି କି ଦେଖିଲ? Upon this thing, the final report, the postmortem report suggests that the some wound, external injuries of 8 cm by 3 cm, bone deep present about right lower half of the leg with fracture displacement of the tibia and ତାପରେ internal finding will be ତାପରେ however the opinion of the doctor regarding the cause of death, it is kept reserve company. Kept reserve company. Cause of death kept reserve company.
FSL को ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କି କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେନି
ହଁ
ରିଜର୍ଭ ରଖିକି RFSL କୁ ଦେଲେ କି ନାହିଁ ପ୍ରିଜର୍ଭ କରିକି ଯୋଉ ଭିସେରା ପାଇଁ ବି ସେଟା ବି କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେନି
ତମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଗଲା? ପେଜ କେତେଟା? ଏଇଟା ତ?
page 9.
page 19
What do you mean by this kept reserve ମାନେ କଣ?
ଲେଖିଲେନି ସେଟା mention ବି କଲେନି
The cause of death is kept reserve କଣ? ଲେଖ the upon going through the report, upon going through the detailed injury report as prepared by one Dr. Chaman Kumar Bisoi, postgraduate PG Dr. SR at the Department of FMCT, MKCG Medical College, Barampur, wherein it has been mentioned that the opinion regarding the cause of death of the deceased is kept reserved. Learn consider the state to take instruction as to why the cause of death has not been mentioned in the injury report. Let the answer to the state obtain information from the MKCG Medical College, Cotton. Barampur. Department of
Forensic.
Forensic FMNT, something machine. FMNT. List the matter. ଆପଣ ଜାଣିବେନି କି ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେ ତ କହୁଛି କହିଲି ପରା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ବୋଲି କହୁଛି ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ ସିକ୍ସଥ ହେଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଲେଟ୍ସ ସି କଣ ଦେଇଛି ହେଲା
My lord,
if
it
there
is
is slightest of the possibility I am with you but in this doesn't seem to be like that next
my lord, in this matter, you will have to ask for me to take instruction.
कितने नंबर
Item
It is
5.
branch, the labor commissioner, always your lordships have directed the collector to do the thing. But I found that the person is labor commissioner. He has asked only 2 weeks. My lord may see the prayer, the next page. He wants 2 days to grant the benefit to the petitioner. My lord may see the prayer. Only 2 weeks time to grant the benefit he has written. My lord may keep it in record and give me.
so you want
My lord, he has prayed. My lord.
on the request of the
Labor.
of the state and upon schedule of the lecture dated 19/7/2024 issued by written by
Labor commission.
Labor Commissioner Odisha Member Secretary OB and OCWW Board. This court deem it appropriate to grant 2 weeks time to disposal of benefit. Disposal of the petitioner's benefit. This the matter on 12th August,
My lord, my lord. 12th,
12 August.
my lord.
Let me keep it. Next,
Item 6.
6.
My lord, in this writ application, the petitioner is praying for a direction to the opposition 10, the officer in charge of United India Insurance Company Limited for settlement of the claim of the petitioner regarding accidental insurance claim of salary package, my lord. Your lordship already had the matter on 1st July. Case of the petitioner is that while he was working as constable in CRPF in the year 90, the terrorist attacked the camp of the petitioner and he was sustained bullet injury and the percent of death will be 88%. Retired hell in invalidation, retired.
କୋଉଠି କାମ କରୁଛି?
ହେଲେ ଲୁଧିଆନାରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟେରୋରିଷ୍ଟ ଆଟାକ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା 90 ମସିହାରେ now percentage of result will 80% my lord. So salary package already the bank manager has already issued the claim form and the detailed documents annexure 23/96 my lord, page 96 ତାକୁ ସେଟଲ୍ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି 21 ମସିହାରେ ଦେଲେଣି 30/11/21 ଆଉ annexure 24
Last occasion, I am appearing for the Union of India, and his grievance is against the United Insurance Company, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship is directed to serve a copy. if he-
ମୁଁ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ କହିଥିଲି ସେ କେହି ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲେନି କହିଲେ ନନ୍ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦେଲେ ଆପିଆର
ନୋଟିସ ନଥିଲା କି?
ନାଇଁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ହେଇନି
କହିଥିଲେ
ଆମେ
ଏଇଟା-
Union of
ଏଇଟା
India କଣ ପାଇଁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇ ଚିନ୍ତା ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯାହାକୁ ଦରକାର ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ଆଗ ବନାନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ
ବନା ହେଇଛି
wrong
କିନ୍ତୁ-
ଲୋକକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ତାର ଖୋଜିବେ ଯାହାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇବା କଥା ବନେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ Union of
ପାର୍ଟି
India
ହେଇଛି।
କିଛି କାମ ନାହିଁ ସେ ତାକୁ ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇବେ
ଅପୋଜିସନ 10 ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କ୍ଲେମ୍ କରିବେ ସେଟଲ୍ କରିବେ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟଲ ଆପଣ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ କରିବ Union of India କୁ ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପାର୍ଟି ରଙ୍ଗ ଲୋକ ପାର୍ଟି ପାର୍ଟି ବନେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ପାର୍ଟି
ହଁ, କରିଛି ତା ଅପୋଜିସନ 10 କରିଛି
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
କରିଛି
10
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇନି
ନା ଯାଇନି କାହା
Okay, issue notice to opposite party number 10, which is the necessary party in the resolution of the dispute in the present case. A dispute pertaining to this case. Ki achi in United India pe?
Notice.
So issue notice. By register post. The budgets will be filed within 3 working days from now. है ना? लिस्ट में कर लो सही 14 तारीख को 14 अगस्त. Next,
Item 7.
In this matter, the grievance of the petitioner is that he is being harassed by the opposite party's bank.
Sorry?
Petitioner is being harassed by the opposite party's bank.
How harass, sir?
And
Harass
that I am
मतलब
submit
कौन
your lordship. That's all.
कौन harass खाली harass कही
See-
दउछन्ती कौन केमती harass हला कहउनांती
Oh,
केमती
there is a moratorium period of 6 months was allowed to start the project. That is a
सर मु एबे गोटे काम करिବି शुणନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ ରେ ଅଲରେଡି ସରଫେସ୍ ରେ ନୋଟିସ୍ ହେଲାଣି ନା ଏବେ କେରଳ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଛି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଆମର ଏଠି ବି ସେୟା କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟର କ୍ଲିୟର ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ସରଫେସ୍ କେସ୍ ରେ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ହାତ ମାରନ୍ତୁ
It is surface. No, it is surface.
ଆରେ କଣ ଏଟା
Not a plain. Big. My grievance is that the 6 month, though 6 month time was allowed before the operation of the project. That is a poultry farm for which I have availed the loan. So in between, they are sending their agents and they are threatening me and compelling me to make payment. That was my grievance, my lord. Your lordship kindly have.
ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ପିରିୟଡ କେତେ ଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
My lord,
ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ପିରିୟଡ କେତେ ଦିନ
6 months.
କେବେ ଆପଣ ଲୋନ୍ ନେଲେ
ସବୁ ଅଛି lordship kindly have pledge 12.
ଲୋନ୍ ଟା କେତେ
Page 12.
page 12
Column 8.1 triple I, Roman 3. 6 month repayment starts.
फॉर्म तो दोस्त ने कौन देखी पहले देखी हला वाला तो फाइल करंतु देखा जाउनी कि जे ब्लड अछि फाइल कर दोछन किंदी हम जानि पडिबो केंती का पे दोछन एटा खाली धर्म को आखिठार फॉर्म देबा कथा तो हम दे देबो न पारो हमर कोन जाउछ
Better copy.
हां लेजिबल कभी हम निजे कभी लेजिबल नहीं आपण
नहीं।
लेजिबल अछि
ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ସେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇ ରଖିଥିଲା ସେ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
type
ଦ୍ୟାଟ
କରିଥାନ୍ତେ।
ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ କପି ମଷ୍ଟ ବି ଆଭେଲେବଲ ୱିଥ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
जोड़ा नहीं सेटा टाइप करे हबनी
ଏଟା ପଢିବ ଉପର ଗୋଟେ ଦିଟା ପଢିବ
ए पडिबो केंती आपण निजे पडी परनांती मु केंती पडी
ରେଲିଭେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଏଲିଜିବଲ ମାଇଲ
हां कोन हेडा
paragraph 8 ମାଇଲ here moratorium period 6 months repayment starts from 12/11/2023 and before that they are sending their agents to me and they compel me to pay 80,000 and now they have not adjusted the same and therefore you are pleased to direct me to serve a copy and serve whatever instruction
मोराटोरियम पीरियड केबे थिला 12/11/2023
ମାଇଲ
आपण को केबे सने पठेली आपण देले केबे
माइल dates I am submitting page 5 I have stated my lord 17,000
डेट केबे कोन
19/7 जुलाई रे नेले
आपण
अगस्त-
मोराटोरियम थिला 12/11/2023 तो
हाँ बिफोर दैट मैंने
केबे बिफोर दैट डेट टा कोंतु
19/7/2023 18/8/2023
पैसा दी जंदी आपण
हाँ
दे जंदी
हाँ and on 18/11/2023 and by this process they have already taken 1,83,000 and my complaint grievance is that the amount they had taken they were supposed to adjust it
आपण लोन
after that loan amount is 9 lakhs 9 lakhs
केते देलेनी आपण
1,83,000
लाख 83,000
1,52,790.
already paid
All 1,52,000, my lord. That's interest portion reversal. That is not the deposit, my
No,
lord.
no, what he's saying, his grievance is when moratorium was in place, you should not have collected that.
My lord,
installment.
State Bank never engage an agent to collect the installment dues.
That
from
is
the
what I am
borrowers.
also thinking, but.
My lord, But he has deposited after 1 year, when the account declared as NPA, thereafter he comes that the bank has taken money.
NP केबे?
February 2024. That is 17/2/2020.
February केते?
17/2. 70.
17/2.
Right.
तीन मास ପରେ ହେବାର କଥା ନା
ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣ
ଛଅ
moratorium
ମାସିଆ
ଯଦି
ମା-
12/11/2023
ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି 6 ମାସିଆ ତାର ଅଛି।
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆମ କଥା ଶୁଣ when you have the moratorium period is 6 months repay start the date is 12/11/2023 ଆପଣ କେମିତି କି ହଠାତ୍ moratorium NPA ହେଇଗଲା 2 ମାସରେ
2 ମାସ ନାହିଁ।
ହଁ କି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
December,
12,
January,
11,
February.
2023
December, January, February, madam.
हाँ तो
Ten
डिसेंबर जनवरी फेब्रुआरी केंदी हेला
10 years.
आपण हिसाब करंतु ना
Well,
डिसेंबर मास
December
जनवरी मास बल 12 11 रु 12 डिसेंबर मासे हला
January 3 months,
12
February 3 months,
17
3 months, 17 February,
3
madam.
मास ପରେ ଆଉ
17 February.
3 मास आपण देई ना
ତା ଭିତରେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଆରମ୍ଭ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ କାହିଁ ଲାଗି
आपण କେବେ पे करछंती
19/7/23 15,000 17,000 18/8/23 15,000
तो से पैसा
18/8/23
सब adjust
79,000
adjust केंद्र।
अरे सर फिर एनपीए केंदी
NPA
सब
केंद्र।
adjust total 1,50,000 deposit करछन 2,55,000.
ଯେତେବେଳେ repayment start from 12/11/2025 how could you repayment
on the same month I paid 80,000 79,000
This is the RNL sanction letter, madam. Kindly.
this is for agriculture
Last, my lord,
for
poultry
Poultry.
poultry farm. My lord,
mudra scheme
last but, my lord, that is page five, my lord.
କଲେ ଲୋକ
That is page five,
କିଏ
madam.
ବିଜନେସ କରିପାରିବେନି ଆପଣ ତ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଟୋଟାଲ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି 10 ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
My lord,
12/11 ରୁ
Page
ଯଦି
five,
ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ
page
ହେଲା
five,
ତ
madam.
ଆପଣ ଆଗରୁ କେମିତି ନେବେ
page five, my lord. Schedule of repayment, my lord.
ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ କେବେ ଦେଲେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ
10/11 ତମ due ହଉଛି 10/11/2023 ଲକ୍ଷେ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ 5,548 ହଉଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ
ଦେଲେ ସେ କେତେ
ଦେଲେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ବାଟା ମତେ ଦେଖା
about to 1,05,000
କୋଉଠି ସେଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
my lord.
who can't run business
Right.
this is the tendency of the bank is supposed to be helpful rather you people are money suckers money lender तो आगରୁ बढी गलेनी आपण ଆଉ କଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜଣକ ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ମାନେ କଣ ତାହେଲେ ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ମାନେ କଣ ଏସବିଆଇ ଯେକି ମୋରାଟୋରିୟମ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କାହିଁ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କମ୍ପେଲ କରିନଥିବ
Compel
ପିରିୟଡ
ହଁ
ଯଦି କରିଥାନ୍ତା
କରିଛନ୍ତି
each
ତ
and every month ରେ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତା
ଆପଣ
ନା
ଦେଖିଲେ ପଇସା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର
each and every month ରେ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତା
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ କଟିଛି କୋଉଟା ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ
when admitted by the statement it is
ଏଡିଟ
there
ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବ ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ନ ଦେଖିକି କିଛି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ନ ଦେଖି ଖାଲି ପାଟି ପାଟି କଲେ ହେଇଯିବ ପାଟି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ସାଧା ସାଧା କହିଦେଇକି ନେଇଗଲେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଅଛି
no that is
ନାଇଁ
reflected
ନାଇଁ
in the
ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
statement madam.
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବିନା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିକି ଖାଲି କହିଦେବେ ନେଇଗଲେ
statement ମାନେ ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ
ହଁ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ ନ ଆଣିକି ଖାଲି ପାଟିରେ କହିଦେବେ ଆଉ ପାଟିରେ କଲେ ମୁଁ ମାନିଯିବି
the fact is admitted the
Not
statement is
admitted.
reflected in the
Who admitted?
statement
He never
no he admits my lord
he is not admitted
1,53 that we paid he
Paid ତ କେବେ ସେଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
that she admitted it there in the
ମତେ
statement
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଦେଲାର ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ So far as I know, State Bank of India never sends people to collect money.
Well,
Alga bank
had it
account
not
se,
been the
but
fact,
private
I
bank
would not have come to the court madam.
nationalized bank guda କରନ୍ତି ନା ଏତେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁନି State Bank ର ନଥାଏ ସେମିତି କିଛି
That much may be recorded man they will not
not
send any
recorded ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଦେଖେଇଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ
ଦେଖେଇଲେନି
ଦଉ
କାଇଁ
it is there
I am not entertaining straight away I am rejecting this ସେ ସବୁ ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ବସନ୍ତି ଏ ସବୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୋଉଟା କହିଲେ
date time
କୋଉ ଡେଟ୍
19/7/2023
19/7
18/8/2023
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତ ଏଠି ଅଛି 18/7 ରୁ ଆସୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡେଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡେଟା starts from 18/7 sir
19/7 ଟା sheet there
19/7 କାଇଁ
it is there man credit it is there my lord 17,000 then 15,000 my first pay
କୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ମାର୍କ କରି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଏଡିଟିଂ ର ଅକ୍ଷର ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଦେଖିବି ଏଟା ଆପଣ ମାର୍କ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 1000 ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
lordship
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମାର୍କ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ଦେବେ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଢଙ୍ଗରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତେ ମାନେ ଜଜ୍ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି you are a master of your facts. You have to follow whatever you say. ସେ ମାର୍କେଟଟା ତ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ବି ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। କେତେ ଡେଟ୍ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ? କେତେ 87
18 7
ଏଟା ତ 8 ଅଛି 18 କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? 8 ଅଛି 18 କୋଉଠି ହେଲା ସାର୍? ଆପଣ ଫିଗରରେ ମାରିଦେଲେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ମାରିଲେନି। କେତେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ। ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ମାରିଦେଲେ ଫିଗରରେ ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ। ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି 18 ମୁଁ ତ ପାଇଲିନି ବୋଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲି ଆଉ କଣ? 8 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି 1 କୋଉଠି?
18 ଟା ପରଟା ଅଛି।
LIM जो এই লোনটা LIM কোনটা LIM মানে কোন LIM
Its name is Mudra Poultry Loan Scheme. MLA. Mudra Poultry Loan.
MLA sorry ଆପଣ moratorium ଭିତରେ you should not have collected. This is the disincentive to the crowd. This is something very serious. Very serious. Sir, bankers should be very careful. Where the policies dictate something, you must abide by the policy. You can't go beyond the policy. Then where just sanctioning loan for so many policies of the government? You should have raised your hand. No, sorry, you can't do that. Why are you saying yes? All the government policies, everything SBI is taking, and just call your manager. I can't tolerate. Can't consider the bank to file an affidavit as to why the petitioner the petitioner was compelled to repay the loan during the moratorium period, which was granted by the bank. Grant bank. By the bank. Okay. And at the just closure of the moratorium period, the petitioner's account has been declared NPA, even if the bank has received the money during the moratorium period. Affidavit file karantu. Your banker check career kharab kariye padibo nahale manibeni. Actually this is not done. मोराटोरियम पीरियड रे आपण के वसूल करिवे आ गोटे लोक एंटरप्रेन्योर टा कोन एति पे को एंटरप्रेन्योर तिष्टि पारु नांती लोन टा नेबे आपण लोन तार पीरियड बाहर तार नेबा आरंभ कर ताको हेरेस करिवे आरंभ कर देबे आ किंति से लोन सुजियो दिस इज नॉट डन तो आवर मैनेजर पर्सनली आसीबो आ रिप्लाई फाइल करू आ पर्सनल डाकी तक मैनेजर ने आपण एसबीआई जो स्टेट रो जो हेड ताको डाकी व्हाट इज दिस ही शुड नो दैट ना कान होउची तळ लेवल रे को ऑफिसर ने कौन करछन से जाने दरकार एटा को ब्रांच एटा कोडी को ब्रांच
जोरंदा ढेंकानाल
he should know that ki that journalist your head Hon'Ble would head was na regional manager Hon'Ble Sambalpur under Sambalpur RM
I have no.
DGM Sambalpur under no, Dhekanaal the regional. There is a regional. I know regional is there, but DGM is at Sambalpur. It comes under DGM Sambalpur. Next. File it by 31st July.
That is South Sambalpur under us.
ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇଆ କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କହୁଛି ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ବୋଲି କହୁଛି ନା ଆସୁ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ତ ତାର ଏଇଟା ନା କଲେକ୍ସନ କରୁଥିବ ସେ ବୁଝୁ ସେ ଯିଏ ଆସେ ବୁଝୁ आगो आओ एफिडेविट फाइल करो तापर बुझियो नेक्स्ट
Item number 8.
8
Item 8 that bank matter mailers. I paid for a settlement and bank refused, and ultimately the situations are in view of the compulsion. Borrowing money mailers, we have deposited that amount, including mailers, the lawyer's fee. 15,000, 50,000, 30,000, that is also being charged. Without consideration.
As the instruction received today, on receipt of 9,58,500, 330, account has been closed. And he has been taken no due certificate and everything.
That is there, I don't say, I say that, I exactly submitted that.
so that is
Including-
closed now.
That
Then
is
what-
closed
what-
now.
what-
My
what-
only
why
thing
there
is that,
quarrel?
only thing is that minors I may point out that they have charged. I have come twice before the Hon'Ble High Court. They have also charged for that.
Hmm.
Whatever minors will decide, minors, I
Sorry,
appeal to
sorry,
minors.
I didn't
I
understand.
appeal. Minors thing is that I have come before the Hon'Ble High Court here challenging this
କାହିଁକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି
for one time settlement. ପାଇଁ
ସେଟା ହେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦେଇଦେଲେ
one time settlement ହେଲା ତା ଦେହରେ ଯେତିକି amount settlement ହେଇଗଲା ସେ କଲେନି one time କଲେନି total amount ନେଲେ
ହଁ
total amount ଦିଆ ହେଇଗଲା ତା
ଆପଣ one time ରେ ଦେଇନଥିବେ
ମାନେ one time ରୁ ବା ଦେଇ ନଥିଲୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଅ ମରିଗଲା ବୋଲି।
one time ରହିଲା
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ, ପୁଅ ମରିଗଲା ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଦେଇପାରିଲୁ ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲୁ
reason ସେମାନେ ବୁଝନ୍ତି
ସେ ସରିଲା ସେ ତ ଯାହା ହଉ ମୁଁ ସେ
Bank
କଥା
will
କହୁନି
not,
I'm not on there because already ଟଙ୍କା ତ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରି ସାରିଲୁଣି ଯାହାର ହଉ ଧର ଯାହା ହଉ ସେଥିରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ କଥା ମୋର କହିବା କଥା ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଏଥିରୁ ଦିଟା ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଯେ one time settlement consider କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ 15,000 ନା 20,000 ଚାର୍ଜ ଆଜି ଏଇ କେସଟା ଫାଇଲ
charge କଣ one time settlement ଗୋଟେ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡେ first time
ଫିସ୍
deposit
ଫିସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ
କରିଥିଲେ।
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେତିକି ଅନ୍ତତଃ ହେଲେ ଟିକେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କନସିଡର କରିକି ଫେରାନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମୁଁ ଥୋଡେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କହିବ ଯେ ଫେରା କି ନ ଫେରା
ଯୋଉ ଚାହିଁଲା I appeal to minors conscience minors here in this case I appeal to
conscience at all my conscience has been closed
ନାଇଁ
by Supreme Court
ନା
Supreme Court close କରିଦେଇ
ये
ସାରିଲାଣି
Supreme
already।
Court close କରିଛନ୍ତି so far DRT and all
ତ
these
ଏଇଟା
things
ଆପଣ
securitization only
ରହିବ କି?
securitization
ଏଇଟା
no
ସେଠିକି ଯିବ।
it is not under securitization before securitization
ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦିଆ ନିଆ କୋର୍ଟ କାଇଁ ପଶିବ ତା ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଦିଆ ନିଆ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯାହା ବୁଝିବ
I appeal to minors conscience if minors conscience will permit and I may get some relief otherwise minors I don't have any right I don't have any right otherwise minors it is purely an equitable relief I
ମୁଁ
sought
କଣ
for
କହିବି କରିବି କଣ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ ଅନ୍ତତଃ ସେଇ ଟଙ୍କା ତ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ ଆସିକିରି ବହୁ କଷ୍ଟରେ ତା ଟଙ୍କା
କଣ କରିବି କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଚାର୍ଜ litigation expenses ଟା ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା ଜାଗାରେ କେସରେ ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେତିକି ଅନ୍ତତଃ ରିଲାକ୍ସ କରି ଛାଡି
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ କାଇଁ
ହଉ
litigation
ତାହେଲେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଯାହା ହେଇଛି in process
so now so everything is closed now okay now counsel for the bank submit that since the petitioner has already paid
9,58,330.
total consideration
paid the entire amount enter outstanding amount that is
58,330.
58,330 and the no objection certificate has been given
Everything has been closed.
and now the account has been closed and the
case has become infructuous minors
next
Item 9.
9
Petitioner challenges the award passed under Annexure 8
what award
award in arbitration case claiming 2,38,875 rupees with 18% interest.
which
per annum.
arbitration what arbitration ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ମୂଳରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ କହିବେ ନା ଟିକେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି arbitration ମୁଁ ତ arbitration bench ନୁହେଁ ତ arbitration ମୁଁ କଣ ବୁଝିବି ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନା
Petitioner is the savings account holder in SBI main branch. During COVID pandemic, the concerned authority induced her to avail the credit card facilities. As well,
sorry
the
ସେ
concerned
ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଟା ଆଉଥରେ କହିଲେ ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲେ ଏବେ
during the COVID pandemic, the concerned authority, regarding the credit card holder, and
regarding the credit card holder I cannot understand what did they do what did they do
they are supplying the credit cards to the customers.
ହଁ ଚାଚି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ ସେଠି କ୍ରେଡିଟ କାର୍ଡ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କଣ ଆପଣ ନେଇଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେ
No manner.
ହଁ
The petitioner was not agreed.
ନ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ମୁଁ ନ ନେଲେ ତ ସାଇନ ମାରିଦେବି ଦେଇଦେବି ନା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କି କଥା ଆପଣ
Avail that facility.
ଆପଣ କ୍ରେଡିଟ କାର୍ଡ ଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ତ ସେ ନେଲା ଆଉ ନଟ୍ ଏଗ୍ରି କଣ
Thereafter,
ଆପଣ ନେଲେ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେ
thereafter,
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ନେବିନି ମୁଁ ସାଇନ କରିବିନି ଯାଉ ମୁଁ ନେବାନି ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଧରିଦେବେ ଆଣିକିରି
Meaning the credit card facility, but she has not traveled any loan amount thereafter.
Okay,
And after some days, the SMS came to her mobile that she has received the SMS stating to pay the outstanding dues of 1,69,999 minimum amount dues, 8,499 against CBI credit card, SBI credit card, which has been increased day by day. SBI credit card, which has been increased day by day to 1,54,000.
ଏଠି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଆପଣ କ୍ରେଡିଟ କାର୍ଡ ନେବେ ପଇସା ଦେବେନି ଦିଆନିଆ ହେବେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଏଥିରେ ମୋର କଣ ରୁଲ
But the
what this court
award
will
has been passed expertly, my lord.
what?
She was not intimated about the
who
arbitration.
passed expertise
Arbitrator, sole arbitrator.
ତ ଆପଣ ଆର୍ବିଟ୍ରେସନ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ର ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ ପାଇଲେ କୋଉଠିକି ଯିବେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 34 ରେ ଏଠି କାଇଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
Yes,
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 34 ରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
the petitioner to approach the appropriate court for appropriate relief ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟ୍ ଲାଗିବ ଏଇ କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିବ ସବୁଥିରେ ଆମର ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରିପିଟିସନ ସବୁବେଳେ ସର୍ଟକଟ ରାସ୍ତା
Why there is illegality, so.
ନ ଇଲିଗାଲିଟି ସେଟା ସେଠି କହିପାରିବେ the petitioner challenges the action of the opposite parties by the unauthorized withdrawal of amount of sum of rupees 1,69,999 through SBI credit card of the petitioner State Bank of India main branch. ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ସେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା Where have you written that about the arbitration award?
Para 12 months.
Correct.
Using the fake ID of the petitioner, they have the other person has availed the loan.
arbitration କୋଉଠି ହେଲା କଣ ହେଲା ସେଟା କଣ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ଆଇଡି ସେଟାକୁ ସେଟା ରିପିଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି arbitration କଥା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ଆପଣ arbitration କଥା କହିଲେ ମତେ ନା କୋଉଠି
Para 11 months. Page 11.
page 11
Para 11.
in the meantime the bank opposite party bank has appointed an arbitrator and it has passed the award and the ex parte and it has been intimated to the present petitioner to a notice dated 19/12/2012 at respondent present petitioner email ID.
You have not noticed one. No notice was issued.
କେମିତି ଆପଣ ମେଲ କୁ ଆସିଛି
Mail is fake, my lord. Fake mail.
ଏଇଟା କି କଣ ମୁଁ ସେଠି କାହିଁ ପଶିଛି
Only in postal address she received the
ସେଇ
award.
କଥା ଆପଣ 34 ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Yes, ma'am.
and finally the matter was heard and order passed actually the final the order passed by the arbitrator the order dated 26/2024 passed by the arbitrator in the proceedings. କଣ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ arbitration award କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଭଲ କି ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ଏଟା ଅସୁବିଧା ଟିକେ ଭଲ କି ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି କିଛି କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବୁଝିପାରୁନି ଲାଇନ ପୁରା କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ ଟିକେ ତ ନିଜ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଟିକେ ୟୁଜ କର
Unnecessary 8 last para, my lord.
ଦେଖ before Sushil Bhartiya sole arbitrator at Delhi arbitration number is लिख दो arbitration case number so लिख दो wherein it has been stated that the final order
Relief, my lord, last para. I hereby allow the claim and direct the respondent to pay.
and
the sum.
accordingly the learned school arbitrator allowed the claim and directed the respondent to pay this sum of rupees 2,38,000 38,000
Along with the entry.
Kete?
875.
875.20 along with interest 18% per annum from 19 December 2023 till the date of filing of the claim till its relation in full. The claimant is also granted a cost of 5,000 towards the expenses of present arbitration proceedings. Hala, like page, page, and actually page. So the petition being agreed by the said order, the petition has approached this court. However, this court is of the view that since there is a forum under section 34 of the Arbitration Act, the forum available under section 34 of the Arbitration Act, and the petitioner should approach the forum seeking his grievance, taking redressal of his grievance. Accordingly, the petitioner is granted liberty to approach the appropriate forum under section 34. So if there is a delay in filing the section 34 application before the forum, the said forum shall condone the delay liberally, since the matter was pending before this court. Disclosure. Next.
Item 10.
Then
May please reverse. On the last occasion, we take instruction about 1 lakh cash security with 2 local security, my lord, to release it on interim bail, my lord. Already judgment date has been fixed on 25th, my lord, of this month, my lord.
so what do you want? You don't want to go?
Oh, my lord, we also not capable of giving 1 lakh. I have taken instruction of.
तो जजमेंट प्रोनाउंस आउट की जाता है 25 तक तय बाची आउट डेट लगे तो चल ये भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जी बाबू 5th August का 5th August on the request of non-cast किसी लगे next
Item 11.
May dealership Miller, here Miller has not been recovered from the possession of the petitioner. Contraband article has not been recovered from the possession of the petitioner, and basis of the implication confessional statement of the court. Last week, my lord granted in respect of other accrued persons, my lord, with a condition to plantation 100, my lord, with a condition to, my lord, for plantation. So it a gotcha na mango,
plantation करियो
mango, nimte, 10 million.
सादा गछ कोन मिलियो गंजाले पैसा कानी कोन अर्थकारी गछ
And in other accrued persons also Miller religion bail.
केते क्वांटिटी केते
66 kg
only अपने देना
possession recover है
पैसा नथिला
ना दौड़ी पड़
आपण पाखु नथिला
ना पर
on the basis of the confessional statement लेखि दिसो आउ कोगा रे लोको
Miller कोरापुट Miller matchkund थाना
हमरा बहुत जगह अछि गछ लगो
जोड़म्बा matchkund place.
ओके ग्रांट 100टा गछ लगेबो 100 2 years तक केयर ना बोले एफिडेविट फाइल करियो बिफोर द पुलिस हला नेक्स्ट
Item 12.
12
By 12 filed amendment petition, my lord. Amendment petition filed, my lord.
काहेंगे
Previously, the establishment is called SESU, now Tata Power, TPCODL. And
ये फाइल
again, amendment filed,
कोड है आईए 6743
6743.
okay I 6743 land customer he has filed the amendment amending the cost title by including
My lord, another amendment required in the prayer portion, my lord.
Huh?
In the prayer portion.
prayer कौन लिखती थी
Prayer,
prayer against the Tata Power पे
again.
कौन change कले
So it is further prayed for a direction to the opposite parties to grant to community increments and salary
filed
for
the
the period
schedule?
of dismissal.
ठीक है
My lord, page 3 in the miss case,
page 3, schedule of proposed amendment.
तो এই जो প্রেয়ার রে কোটি अमेंड করছেন
Prayer sir last prayer A, B, C, D, another insert D.
তো ডিলিট করি কি দিয়ন্তু না এটা ডিলিট কাই করছি করছেন
After allow of the
just withdraw it and refile it. Don't do this.
15
এতে confusion দরকার নেই।
consolidated plan file.
Withdraw it and file it, sir. Cost title थोड़ी এটা issue. Prayer भी change করছেন ଆପଣ। Prayer change କରିବେ withdraw ନ କରି କେମିତି କରିବେ?
Prayer total no. ଗୋଟିଏ
କେତେ?
sir ସେଠି add ହବ
ସେ ପେଜଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବେ।
change କରି
କୋଉଠି କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
consolidated ଦେବି
କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି? Consolidated କାଇଁ କୋଉଠି?
consolidated date to ମତେ rumor sir file.
ଆମେ consider petition.
I don't think that he has soft copy on me.
Soft copy. तो निजे ठीक करी ना दिया कॉपी कोन आपन देबे चाहे ठीक करन तो फास्ट प्रेयर चेंज करिवे केते कर कथा अछि एटा केन प्रेयर चेंज करे पे लिखिछन दि अपन आए रे कोड लिखि
My page 3
Page
page 3 schedule proposed amendment short form.
They change it accordingly. So as per the IA file by the petitioner seeks to amend the first title as well as the prayer portion of the thing, the petition. Accordingly, as file IA number 6743 up to 323. It is allowed a consolidated writ petition be filed by the petitioner
Day after tomorrow.
within 3 days from today and with an advance copy served to the opposite party. Hala? List the matter on.
Prayer ता complexity रे देखो से डिस्कस ता कौन prayer चेंज करियो किसी लिखना है
সেটা চেঞ্জ করি কি দেবি পরে আপনাকে চেঞ্জ করে দেবে সে
short for amendment short for.
ସେ ତଳେ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା
ହଁ
7th August ନେକ୍ସଟ
item 13
Obliged.
Your Lordship, by order dated 1/7/2024, directed them to file an affidavit. Okay. So just now she has given the copy to me.
what is the affidavit
Affidavit ଏବେ ଯାହା immediately file କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି ଯେ 1/5/2003 ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୋତେ communicate କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି admit କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ I'll just go through it 2 days time. ଆଜ୍ଞା
I'm fixing it on Monday
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Monday or on me
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଯେବେ ବି କରିବେ ମୁଁ just ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବି କାରଣ ସେ ମୁଁ just ଆଖି
you have
ପକେଇଲି
not seen that so I'm giving you time
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
so
1/5/2000
let's do one thing then Thursday କରିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Thursday
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ communicate କରିନୁ
that's
ଆଜ୍ଞା Thursday ମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା 24th my lord 25th
Good.
ଆଜ୍ଞା okay.
এটা ফাইল ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତ ନା ফাইল କରିବେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ফাইଲ ହଁ
item 14
14
sir, requisites file in the meantime.
ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନା
Sir,
next
your lordship may keep it to next Monday, my lord.
requisite file is rest ଲଗେଇବ ତାର
No, sir, your lordship fix a date for your for listing, my lord.
Monday 29
Sir,
next
item 15
My apologies. My lord, amendment filed, IA filed for amendment of cost title, my lord.
only cost title nothing
My lord, only cost title. Only address, my lord. Instead of local address, I have mentioned the head office address. May permitted to
cost
file
title କଣ
consolidated cost title.
ଆମର ଏଠି ଦେବ କା ସେ ତ registry file ଦେବ ରଖିବା ठीक है दे also give it to the other opposite party. This for the 6th August. Next,
Item 17.
17.
But here the dispute has been solved amicably between the parties. And
You
to-
filed?
To that respect, I am.
Have you filed?
Lordship. Copy has been solved.
Apropos. Apropos the joint affidavit filed by the petitioner and the opposite party. Regarding the settlement of their the settlement of the claim. And that's resolved the dispute amicably in the presence of village entries. He has filed a joint affidavit which is expected here in the court. Accordingly, the writ petition, the criminal revision petition.
That's it, one IA number 683 of 2023, that is to be disposed of in favor of the present accused, present opposite party.
What is the I?
I is the releasing of the 2 lakh rupees deposited by the accused person in the trial court.
683.
683.
Accordingly, the I number so and so is also been disposed of with the direction that the petitioner,
It is to be released in favor of the present opposite party, the complainant in the trial court.
the complainant in the trial court. Which amount, kete amount kuch likhi nahanti apan
2 lakh, that is also mentioned in my affidavit.
but your prayer re lekhibini kon apna prayer re final lekhibini affidavit re lekhichindi prayer re lekhibini prayer re lekhi na they should release the amount deposited by the appellant petitioner, how much amount kon lekhibini so 2 lakh
2 lakh.
2 lakh deposited by the petitioner to the complainant during on application before the pending before the trial
Pending before the
trial court.
Lordship.
Pending
No,
the trial court. On application, the trial court shall release the said amount on application.
Lordship में
With
Lordship
that.
में Pratap Kumar Kesari Mohanty, that is to be released in favor of the Pratap Kesari Mohanty. He is
Ete
the
kotha mu kahin lekhi
Lordship, he is the
you file an application and on identification they will release the amount.
That's-
So Pratap Kesari no ki ta mommy no kon achi je no chi no
Lordship में only right complainant.
complain lekha hai.
Lordship.
Next,
Item 18.
18.
I am appealing for the opposite party of court today and filing the counter and filing the box. And serve a copy to my learned.
Mr. Rathav might file his rejoinder also.
Yes, I'll do, because the newly added party has filed it, I am to get.
Yes, so let him file the rejoinder.
I'm serving the.
I'm,
Okay.
that may be accepted as solved.
Can it be
Okay.
filed here on the box?
there. Rest is always welcome.
Yes.
So, kind of, I'm at it. Like, either कोण हजी हो last confusion हो. Set है better.
Difficult hours.
Petition file. You have filed the rejoinder.
No, he has filed a
Counter.
Sorry,
counter.
counter.
behalf of,
Opposite party.
open
Opposite
vote
party
four.
number
4.
4. File the counter
Copy served.
and the copy has been served on this. Served.
So that much.
Can't write your name. You are senior advocate. So served the petitioner and the counsel for the petitioner. 10 days.
I'll
time.
file a reply
File
back.
the rejoinder to the counter. This is the matter on 12th August.
Yes, ma'am.
No, 12 in something.
Huh?
12.
ବୁଝିଲା?
Any other day.
ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖିବା
କେବେ?
ମୁଁ ଦେଖି ଦଉଛି 13th 14th pilots may have 13th ଚଳିବ 13th August.
ठीक है 13. Not a good day. Okay. Odd day. 13 is odd day.
People say that is not a good day.
Huh? नहीं ना अमेरिका सुप्रीम कोर्ट तो अच्छी सुप्रीम कोर्ट अच्छी 13 नंबर सुप्रीम कोर्ट सब अच्छी 1 2 3 4 superstition सब next
Item 20.
they're all superstition
When my lord, so many people are talking about that, let it have it on 14th. Let us have it on 14th. Many illustration my friend has given. Let us have it on 14th.
this is
Of course, 13th is not a bad day for
this
me.
no this is sheer superstition I have just there is a story a real story actually not story real story the cat syndrome when we are
Passes away.
passing when we see the cat we generally pull back right actually the real story is like this earlier there was a lot of jungle nearby the village and the cat and tiger they can't see each other once the tiger see the cat they follow so if you this cat crosses and you are crossing then you are likely to be caught
Trapped
by
in
the
the tiger.
tiger that is the reason why many people died so that's why they say oh, this is inauspicious people because the people were dying now no even jungle is outside the village
In
far
Assam,
away from the village
we are
so,
more
but we
afraid
are
of
still
my lord, we are more afraid of the class of the vehicles than anybody else.
so we are following the same
Let the
superstition.
13th be.
14 next
Item 20.
20
In this case, counter is not filed, my lord. Well, the specific order was on 25th June.
you have for the petitioner
And
you have for the opposite party you have not filed the counter but 2012 matter bhai 2012 matter ready is da जब फाइल कर दे एबर रख और दे दे so अपना रिजॉइंडर फाइल करिए
Yes, sir.
तो आई एम फिक्सिंग इट फॉर
Any sorted man.
तो दो चाहे तो 10 दिन तो दबा टाइम हाउस एनी शॉर्टेड वाला होगा 6th August 6th August
Yes.
you file a rejoinder
Yes.
let the matter be fixed for final hearing है ना सेदिन
Sir.
time of the hearing will come with your written note of submission both the parties 6th August for final hearing and consider the petitioner to file the rejoinder and also the note of submission for final hearing let the matter be fixed for final hearing hala come with the written note of submission next next
Item 22.
22 22
Your lordship had this matter on the last occasion. Only kept to this date.
a note
Note, we have filed.
Password, my lord.
note by the con password
Sir,
already argued it.
Notes have been filed by both.
You have done now then let's close it
no.
ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ କଣ ଅଛି ଆଉ
Your lordship only asked me to find out order your lordship passed some time back.
On this point, I could not find it.
What is this point?
The promotion of banking assistant to the next grade.
हाँ कराइଛି ତ
Yes.
ଆସ୍କାର କରାଇଥିଲା ଆସ୍କା କେଷ୍ଟା ମୋର ମନେ
That's
ପଡୁଛି
what I could not find.
It is there. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, this is
ଗୋଟେ ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ତମେ
ଆଇ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ଯାହା ମନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସରିଲା ପରେ ବି ଆଇ କଣ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି
କଣ amendment ଏବେ ହଠାତ୍ ଦରକାର ପଡିଗଲା କି କଥା
ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ତମେ
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ପଡିଲା 2016 ରୁ 2024 ହେଲା ଆପଣ amendment ସଡନ ଦରକାର ପଡିଲା
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏବେ
କଣ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ never ending process. It will never end if this goes in this
ଆଜି
way.
ସରିଯିବ ଗୋଟେ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ତ please।
The password is a document କଣ? What is the document about? Show him, give him a copy तो कम से कम he should know भाई।
I'll add सब document
Give a copy.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଅଛି I'll ସବୁ କପି ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ତ
Password କଣ ପାଇଁ ମତେ କହିଲେ?
ଏଇ ଆଇଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବି
ଆଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ମତେ କହିଲେ ତ ସେତିକି ତ କହି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଇ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ ଜାଣି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଠିକ
ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା କଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ଏ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା କଣ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ରେଜଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ପ୍ରମୋଟ କରିଦବା ସେଟା ଲେଚନ୍ତି
Is filing a resolution of 2023. The matter relates to 2016. And here it
23
says-
କଣ ରେଜୁଲେସନ ଟା କଣ?
I don't know.
ମନମୋହନ ପ୍ରଧାନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ପ୍ରମୋଟେଡ ଦ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଜୁନିୟର ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନାଲି
କିଏ ସେ ଲୋକଟା? ଏଇ ଲୋକ?
ନାଇଁ
କାହାର ଅଲଗା କାହାର? 2023 2016
Retired
ଲାଗିବ।
since 2016.
Okay, let him find to his satisfaction. So I'm not passing it over. Let it come some other day. 25th class. ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସାରିବେନି ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିବ ଆଜି ଏଟା କାଲି ସେଟା କଣ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସାରିବେ 2016 ର ମ୍ୟାଟର 2024 8 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ମ୍ୟାଟର କେବେ ସରିବନି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ଟାଇମ ଦେଇକି ଚାଲିଥିବେ କଣଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମ୍ୟାଟର ସରିଗଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କଣ ଅଲରେଡି ରିଟେନ୍ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସରିଗଲା ରିଟେନ୍ ସବମିଶନ ସରିଗଲା ହଠାତ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଏଟା ମାନେ ସେ ମନି ବିଲ୍ ରୁ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଟା ବଢିଆ ଖତରନାକ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ମନି ବିଲ୍ ରେ ଯେମିତି ପଶା ହଉଛି ଗୁଜ 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 ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଆଧାର ମନି ବିଲ୍ ରେ ପଶେଇ ଦିଅ ଆଉ କଣ ମନି ବିଲ୍ ରେ ପଶେଇ ଦିଅ ଆପଣ ସେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ରିଟେନ୍ ସବମିଶନ ସେଇ ତ ଆଉ ଡିସ୍କସନ ବେଶୀ ଦରକାର ନା ଭୁ କିନା ଆଏ ଏମିତି କହିଲେ next.
Item 25.
My lord, 23 last occasion your lordship said that to filing the counter. Na ye written note of argument.
ଦେଲେ
Na ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଆଣିଛି opposite party.
ଆଉ ପିଟିସନ
Petitioner କଣ time ନେଇଯାଇଛି।
Rejoinder file କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି 12/8 କୁ ଅଛି।
ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରିବି
ତେଣୁ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ହଉ ସେ ସରିଯିବ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦଉଛି।
1 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ
Yes.
25 ଆପଣ ପିଟିସନର ତ ଆପଣ ଦି ଜଣ ତ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ହଉଛି 23 ରେ opposite
ଆପଣ 23 ସରି 24 ଟା 24 କଣ ଗଲା
24 ଟା 2 PM
2 PM 25 2018 ମସିହା କେସ୍ ସାର୍ କଣ ଏଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କଣ ହୋମୱାର୍କ କଣ ରକେଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ବସିକି ହୋମୱାର୍କ କରିବେ 2 ମିନିଟ୍ ବାରଣାରେ ବସିକି ପଢିଦେଲେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ହେଇଯିବ କଣ ଅଛି ସେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ହଁ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ନା କଣ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ କହିଲେ ଟିକେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସବୁ ଗଲା ପରେ ନେସେସରି ଏମିତି ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗୁଡାକ ଲମ୍ବି ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି କେସ୍ ର ଡିଲେ ହେବାର ବଡ କାରଣ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ କୋର୍ଟ ସବୁବେଳେ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ
To pass an order that one post is vacant, nobody has been selected, so let him go for another advertisement. That
My
is better,
prayer
I
is
think, for
simple.
him also.
My prayer is let them publish the result.
Already
At least
published.
I must know that what is the cut
that
off.
you can also know from RTI.
No, that they have they have refused. That refused, my lord. I have submitted that document. They have refused to give that information.
Result is published. Nobody qualified in physical land
That is
category.
not published.
I am doing one thing, sir.
Yes, Milord.
If I'm just passing an order.
Ah.
Alright. Junk ground one, so junk petition would have filed. Who would come se come ticket of the petitioner in this present petition seeks to challenge the this arbitrary action of the election committee while selecting and engaging the candidates for the post of district project manager under Odisha livelihood unit OMMU and approved by the opposite party number 2, thereby violating the guideline and norms of advertising, depriving the petitioner who is the eligible candidate under the person with disability. The petitioner has been placed according to the petitioner has been placed at the top. आपण जाने गले top बोले किन जान ले?
That I got the information about
कोड
that.
पहले मन कि
Office लोग कहले
ऑफिस लोग कहले एटा लिखित पकेबे आपण बिना सोर्स ने बिना
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ସେମାନେ disclose କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି.
टॉप बोले जाने गले भितरे
That is the reason they have not disclosing.
एटा एंती गप लिखिबेनी आपण लॉयर पर आपण तो कम से कम लिखिया कथा नुए
That is
केउडे कहि देबो जाउ लिखि दे आई एम ऑन द टॉप बोले लिखि देबे
that is the reason they are not disclosing.
आपण लाखिले काई एई कथाटा आपण
Yes, my
जानिले
lord.
कोडु
Let them say so that I am not.
आपण जानिले कोडु
I got the information from the office people.
लिखा हुए आपण प्रैक्टिस एते वर्ष कले एति जाननांती जहाँ भी लिखिबे तार गोटे किछि गोटे बैस रहबा दरकार ऑफिस रे केउडे आपण कान रे कहि देला आज्ञा आपण टॉप करथिले आपण लिखि देबे एठी की कथा वाह की बढ़िया प्रैक्टिस आपण मन कराउ जहाँ ऑफिस रे को पीएन रे कहि देबा आज के आज्ञा आपण टॉप रे आपण नाम आछो लिखि देबे एठी
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ ଆରଟିଆର ମାଗିଲି ସେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି.
ଦେଖିଲେ କୋଠି ଟପ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖିଲେ
ଆରଟିଆର ମାଗିଲି ସେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି.
ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପବ୍ଲିଶ ଦି ରେଜଲ୍ଟ
କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଟପ୍ ବୋଲି ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଟପ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି କ୍ରିକେଟ କୋଉଠି ଜାଣିଲେ
ଗଟ୍ ଦି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
ଟପ୍ କରିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଜାଣିଲେ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଅଫିସର ପାଇଲୁ ତ ଅନ୍ୟ ଭର୍ବାଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଆପଣ ଲର ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲେ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଜ୍ଞାନ ଭର୍ବାଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆପଣ କିଛି ବି ଲିଖିଦେବେ ପିଟିସନ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ୱିଥ୍ ଏଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଲେଖା ହଉଛି ନା तो फिर आपको आपका क्लाइंट एफिडेविट दो कोड जानला दो एफिडेविट दिया लर्न कंसर्न द पिटिशनर to file an affidavit where
verbal information
that he has stopped in the list let the affidavit be filed within 5 days आगे फाइल करूँ कोड जान ले समझ कोई
petitioner के हाउस मिलेगा
नहीं नहीं हार्स नहीं ये दरकार मन इच्छा तुम जोड इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं आसको आज के पिटिशनर लिखियो
for that is in very beginning I
nothing living he has to file कोड जानला तो मजा एफिडेविट फाइल करछि बरा
very beginning I told that
से एफिडेविट फाइल करछि बरा तो एफिडेविट लेकिन केंदी जानला से लिखबनी एफिडेविट फाइल करू कोड जानला से
for employment
पुअर एम्प्लॉय नहीं किछि एई सब ता नहीं कोर्ट प्रोसीजर शुड बी कोर्ट प्रोसीजर
for that is in very beginning I
let him file the affidavit let him file the affidavit as to why as to what is the source for his knowledge about his topping in the penal list and under his category लखा कोड जानला से सोर्स जणेबे आप तापर देखिए list the matter of 7
in the meantime may I pray my lord that let them at least
first file करंतु
I'll file my lord let them at least show that what mark I have obtained
आपण आगो फाइल करंतु
I'll file my lord
लिखि दउछन
I'll file my lord
आपण लिखंतु सब आपण जो जानि जानते आपण टॉप करछंती सब जानि गेले भितरिया रिजल्ट बारिनी आपण जानि गेले टॉप ए बाबा को सोर्स पाइले आपण को पियन आसी का 5 टका देले से कॉपी देला आपण आज लिखि देबे एठी
ऑफिशियल सोर्स
ऑफिशियल सोर्स आपण एटा ऑफिशियल सोर्स देखंतु से सोर्स ता देखातु देखो ऑफिशियल सोर्स ता देखेबे
वर्बल इंफॉर्मेशन
ना वर्बल इंफॉर्मेशन लिखा जायनी वर्बल से बिल्कुल लिखा जीवनी
my lord मैं
नहीं बिल्कुल ना आपण फाइल करिवे तो दिस इज नॉट डन एटे कोन सब बेले आपण कोइ जस्ट as a lawyer you must ensure the information should be correct because you are filing in affidavit when you are filing an affidavit you must be double sure कि एटा सतक ना मिछ कर दिया just it is a physically challenged person that's why I am just living it otherwise you should not despair this is not done simply like let without going to the merit of the case let the opposite party publish the result if not published
no already published
no
result is published
okay
page 33 in that your article similar
page
Page 33 of the counter mirror
33.
of the counter, even his question also the range published.
Just 33 though.
Yeah. D by 3, answer D by 3,
Sir, the
33
wrong
plus of the
file.
counter. Even his
Wrong file.
question is also.
Item 27.
Just. कौन से केस रे किछि नाही से केस रे 19 मसियारू पडिछि केस 5 वर्ष हला कोर्ट रे पड़ी रहइबो किछि नाही से केस फालतू
That is not published for the PWD category, my lord.
Public
PWD category nine.
केबे पब्लिश कले
They are
publish कला 18 मसियारे
ये 18 मसियारे पब्लिश छि आपण एरे पड़ी रहि छि एबे सारी भीतर किछि रहि
final result is there. The final result of.
There is no PWD category, my lord. That is not.
Peter could not qualified. Final result was published. You also can turn to page 33. Answer D by 3. D by 3. The final result for the project for the post of project district project manager is published herewith for information to all concerned. So category is there.
आपण पीडब्ल्यूडी कैटेगरी भी रखिथिले
One post was there.
one post अछि
Yes, nobody
Yes.
qualified.
आपण का रिजल्ट कोड अछि कहले
Page 33 million
33
of the counter million.
land council opposite party number
Opposite party, I am actually opposite number 2.
2
But I am adopting the counter of the opposite party number 3 to 3 and 5.
okay opposite party number
Opposite 3 and 3 is the recruiting agency.
आपण की
Mochi OLM, Orissa Legal Mission.
okay opposite party number 3 आपण 3
2.
I am 2 opinion number 2 submit that the final result was published on 3/9/2018 wherein the petitioner has not the petitioner name did not find
Place in the.
place in the merit list.
Yes, ma'am.
Land council for the petitioner for sorry the opposite party further submits that the petitioner had applied for the post of district project manager under PWD category.
No, yes, applied for SUC category.
No, no, no. That is not correct.
Initially applied for SUC
Upon the
category.
regender এটা আপনার না আপনার regender
You also can turn to page 27.
27 आप झूठ मूठ के बोलते हैं सब झूठ बोलते हैं
27 million.
आधा झूठ
This is the application for, you have got in that. 27 of the counter.
इतना झूठ बोलते हो यार
नहीं, जो.
झूठ का एक सीमा होता
I'll just clarify that, my
है
lord.
don't
They are application form, my lord.
Just a minute, the 27
27
of the category, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 line. Category SCBC.
My lord, now.
You also got it, 27. Page 27. It is the application form. Category SCBC.
Now they have annexed the sample application form. I will show the sample application form.
सर सैंपल नहीं एटा पूरा जोड़ा आपने अप्लाई करनी सेटा को
Then you also
Yeah,
can.
पेज 27
As per their application form.
ଆପଣ fill up କରନ୍ତି as per their no
For a moment, kindly see page 19.
27 को ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
27 I have seen, my lord.
now come to with me
My lord.
Then you also can get.
what is the written in the category
Category SCBC, that is because the application form has two spaces, my lord. So just खाली देखेंगे page 19 टा.
Then 80 टा देखो देखा.
नहीं,
28, just minute.
ମୁଁ ଦେଖେ page 19 ଟା ହଉଛି application form ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଛି ତାଙ୍କ sample application form category ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ST SC SCBC general ଚାରଟା category ଏଠି PWD category ନାହିଁ
କୋଉଠି
page 19 that is the sample application form filed by them. I have also filed, they have also filed. That is in their guideline.
27 this is the final form you have applied your everything is there
I have
then I'll take this as a form not as any other
I have applied my अच्छी क्षेत्र physical
under SCBC category आपण apply करछन
28 रे देखନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା physical handicraft
28.
आपण physical handicraft category नथला की
पिला आଜ୍ଞା ता
You also can turn to page 28.
ते कथा छाडंतु
सेही फॉर्म रे सर देखନ୍ତୁ
छाड़
जस्ट गोटे मिनिट खाली फॉर्म टा देखे दउची ତାଙ୍କରି ଫର୍ମ ଅନୁସାରେ
ତାଙ୍କରି ଫର୍ମ ଆମର ଫର୍ମ ଫର୍ମ ତ
ତାଙ୍କ-
ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ଫିଲଅପ କରିଥିବେ ତାଙ୍କରି
Yes.
କେମିତି ହେଲା
ଯୋଉଟା ଫର୍ମ ସେମାନେ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିଥିଲେ
ଯୋଉଟା 27 ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫର୍ମ ଆପଣଙ୍କ
Yes,
ଡିଟେଲ
I
ଅଛି
have, my submission is
Directorate of Odisha Livelihood Mission come to page online application form at the 28
Yes.
third ରେ ଆପଣ apply କଲେ
yes
ଆଉ
bec-
ତାଙ୍କର
because they
ଆମର
are
form କଣ
because they are
ଚଳେ?
because at
form
the-
ଜଣେ apply କରିବ ଜଣେ କରିଥିବ
because at that column there was no space for PWD. That space is the next page. My lord will find the page 28. Physical disability head is there. And as per their application form, this form is filled up.
ଆପଣ physical disability certificate ଅଛି
नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖେଇଲେ ବିନା physical disability ଆପଣ କୋଟା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ physical certificate ଅଛି ନା
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି
ଦେଇଛି।
ଲଗେଇଲେ ଦେଖି
28 पे तो देखिए सर
ଫ୍ରଡ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଫିଜିକାଲ ଡିଜେବିଲିଟି ହିଁ ନଥିବ ଦେଖ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଅଛି ଅଛି
ଫ୍ରଡ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବଢି ବଢି
ଅଛି ଅଛି
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ IAS ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫ୍ରଡ ଟେ ବାହାରିଛି
but here my lord
ଫ୍ରଡ ଏମିତି ବାହାରୁଛି
physical certificate is there.
ଫ୍ରଡ
आईएएस पूजा पूजा पूजा
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ
ଆଉ
କନସିଡର
କେତେ
କଲେ
ବାହାରିବେ ଦେଖ ୟୁପିଏସସି ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ରିଜାଇନ କଲାଣି ଆଉ କେତେ କଣ ବାହାରିବେ କଣ ନଉଛି
your Can you turn to page 28
because physical disability they have considered there.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ PWD सर्टिफिकेट
Certificate
page
ଟା
28 चाहिए 27 पर 28 देखो again is his application 28 physical handicap label hearing impaired region under treatment then permanent physical handicap mental health 50% under treatment 39 photo page 28 रे tough NCBC apply कर ले after physical handicap yes hearing impaired they are under treatment under treatment last year go to
कोड 28 कोड है सर
page 28 counter में
Screen पे open.
कोड है
Screen open.
27 for it is his application physical handicap yes hearing impaired diagnosis under treatment
Okay, learn concept the petitioner applied for for the post of district project manager on 28/3/2018 as for the form the application form applied online by the present petitioner. It seems that the petitioner had applied under the category of SC, BC as well as physically challenged under PWD. The grievance of the petitioner is that the result published by the opposite party number 2 doesn't mention about the present result according to
page 33 30 of the counter
33 कौन ना यार
प्रणय कुमार
प्रणय
साहू
कुमार साहू
नहीं physical handicap के क्वालिफाई करना है क्या
ତାଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ହଉଛି କେହି କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
the list doesn't mention doesn't find mention of the present petitioner under the in the merit list. He further submit that he should have been considered under the physically PWD category, which they have not considered. Learn concept of the opposite party number 2 submit that since none of the physically the PWD category candidates secure the minimum qualifying mark, hence their name could not be included in the merit list. Full stop. Be that as it may, the OP number 2 is directed to consider all the physically challenged PWD category candidates, and if the petitioner's claim is true that he has secured the highest mark among the physically challenged category, the opposite party too shall take due care in giving appointment to the petitioner.
Obliged.
Or
Very much
else,
obliged.
or else. Sorry, Hindi khali.
Very much obliged.
Well,
Though I am for the opposition too,
No,
really I am obliged.
you take care of all the PWD candidate against the jar maga dega tako de.
my lord.
Last line. They will, the issue appointment letter to the, to the candidate of the said category. Close.
There's only one line left. Let him produce his physical certificate. Yeah,
এটা ଆପଣ କରିବେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ଆପଣ PWD category ଆପଣ ବିନା ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ଚକ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଆଉ ଫିର ଆଉ ସବୁ ଦେଖିବି କୋ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଯିଏ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ମାର୍କ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ଅଫ देयर सर्टिफिकेट ପୁରା ଭଲ କି ଭେରିଫାଇ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିକାଲି PWD ବଡ ଫ୍ରଡ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ PWD category ଆଜିକାଲି ବାହାରିଲାଣି ଏମିତି ବାହାରିଲାଣି UPSC ତ ଛାଡି
the case is not maintainable, it is to be dismissed. I know, but still then, because he's a physical handicap cutter and I personally
Consider that.
with him. And he came to me and I've seen him. But he deserved. For that reason, I pray your lordships going out of the way there.
But you are saying mentally handicapped 50%.
कल कानून सुनेंगे
तो आपण मेंटली काय कोण
से सिलेक्शन ना आम्ही करूच
मूल मेंटली वाले तो केन देबे चाकरी फिजिकली फाइन विजुअली फाइन इजी फाइन बट मेंटली तो वेरी डिफिकल्ट
से सीसीए लकी जल्दी
oh next
Item 28.
28
Here, your lordship only wanted us to file the note.
okay note
That purpose it came.
okay
We have exchanged the copies.
need not
We have,
that is not required but if you want to
We have
actually, I don't say anything because this is for my purpose not for you
Nice.
next
I am only 2-page note, only I have briefly pointed out. Hi.
next
I
Item
will take
30.
30
May I lordship please? Last occasion, my lord say the written notes submission though.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Ready, my lord.
opposite party ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes, yes.
opposite party ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା PAB
A small.
ଆଉ କଣ ରହିଲା କି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ ଖାଲି 2022 ଅନୁସାରେ ସେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ होमगार्ड 340 राकेश कुमार राउतराय ये जो डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम होमगार्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कटक यूपीडी टू टाइम्स ए क्रिमिनल अंडर सेक्शन 498 494 506
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା
हाँ हाँ
Okay.
तापर भी मु ये 2015 रे कर देले तापर हाईकोर्ट जो क्वास कला परे मु देला परे भी रिपोर्ट मते स्टाफ फिल से मते
next item next
Item 31.
କିଏ କଣ ନାଟା
राकेश कुमार राउतराय मु ताकू देइथिले मोर क्वास हे अनेबल हाईकोर्ट
okay next
Item 31.
31 note ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସରିଗଲା ନା ହେଇଥିଲା ନା
Yes,
That
got
is the note muta
ଖାଲି
devi.
note ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Note
Lord,
diya
I am filing a reply affidavit that's in the format of the
Okay,
written notes. Lord.
that conductor matter, my lord.
ଆगे order reserve ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
Argument
note ଫୋଟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
argument କିଛି
ଆଉ କଣ argument ତ କେତେ ଥର କରିବେ ଦୁଇ ଥର ତିନି ଥର କଲେଣି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେ matter
Badal demo Uma.
this is a small matter to require only 2 minutes argument
Uma devi case ରେ clear ଆଜ୍ଞା para fifty.
ଦେଖିବା ଉମା ଦେବୀରେ କେତେ ଉମା ଦେବୀ କି ଶାରଳା ଦେବୀ କିଏ ଅଛି ଦେଖିବା
ମୁଁ sanction post continue କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି submission note.
I also filed my
ଟିକେ ରେ ମାନେ ଇଏ କରିଦେବି
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
memory refresh କରିଦେବି.
ମୋର ଅଛି ମନେ ସାର୍ I know that you have given note your note is sufficient to refresh my memory ଆପଣ note ତ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା
ମୁଁ note ଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
ବାସ୍ ହେଲା ଆଉ next order reserve
Item 32.
ଏଠୁ ଯଦି ଆଗରୁ କିଛି ହେଇନଥିଲା ମୁଁ ନୋଟ୍ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି ନୋଟ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଆଗରୁ ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ କେସ୍ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ was initiated.
With permission of my learned chair, may I pray let it come tomorrow, my lord. The brief is not with me. Only tomorrow.
day after tomorrow
Lord.
next
33.
33
And item 33, my lord.
the petitioner was eligible to be promoted to the rank of ORS Group B against the ORS Group B, Odisha Revenue Service, against the recruitment year 2011, for which the collector Bhadrak has also recommended his name. But the RDC has returned the said recommendation on the ground that some interpolation in CCR is available regarding collection of revenue, though outstanding remarks is available for last 5 years. However, the petitioner was promoted against the recruitment year 2012 as ORS Group B.
You are promotee.
Madam?
You are promotee.
Yes, ma'am.
What was your initial appointment?
Clerk, madam.
Clerk. From clerk you became ORS officer.
Odisha Revenue Service as
Revenue
per
Service.
ORS rules 2011.
So you should have been promoted in 2012. 11.
I have given promotion against the recruitment year 2012, but I am eligible to be appointed against the recruitment year 2011. But in the 11 recruitment year, when my recommendation has been made by the collector, the RDC returned the said memo, the recommendation on the ground that some interpolation made in the CCR regarding collection of revenue. However, the final remarks regarding outstanding is very clear so far as the last 5 years CCR are concerned. So for which I was appointed against the recruitment year 2012,
So
but
you-
not considered against the
So
2011.
your grievances you should have considered against the year 2012 instead of 11 instead of 12.
Yes, ma'am. That is my limited prayer.
So what is your argument for that?
But my CCR out, there are 5 outstanding CCR are
Oh,
available.
no. Not considering for the year 2011. What is your best
recommendation?
reason?
My recommendation which made by the collector Bhadrak before the Board of Revenue through RDC, the RDC has returned my recommendation to the collector without sending my name to the Board of Revenue for consideration.
But he found some interpolation.
No, my sir.
Some
So
manipulation.
far the recommendation are concerned. So in
Sir,
the
recommendation fine, but
Yes.
will he not see the your CCR report because it's a promotional thing?
for which
It's not a direct candidate की exam दिए UPSC exam दिए clear की आगे
OPSC आधार है ORS रे आसे 50% post are to be
आगे आगे ORS रे आସୁଥିଲା ଆଉ ଏତେ କହନ୍ତିନି ଆସେନି ବୋଲି କହନ୍ତୁନି don't say that.
only one.
OFS finance service ଥିଲା ଏବେ ORS revenue service
Revenue
କଣ ଦୁଇଟା finance and revenue କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
नहीं सर
नहीं?
OFS रू OTAS रू OFS ORS रू OS
ORS.
ORS revenue service रू 50% post should be filled up by OS and the petitioner has also been considered for OS against the year 2022. So my submission in the entire application is
ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର order pass just ଗୋଟେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ order pass ଏହା ଉପରେ judgment ଦେଇଛି similar issue ଏବେ ପୁରା same issue ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ check କରନ୍ତୁ similar issue
କାଲି ଆସିବ
ठीक है अब କାଲି କାହିଁକି ଆସିବ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିଦେବେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଯିବ ଆସିବ କଣ
अच्छा नहीं सर परिचय जैसे जजमेंट
judgment ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେବିନି
yes yes
ଆଉ କଣ କହୁଥିଲେ
ଗୋଟେ additional submission note ଦେବି with
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
citations.
Most
Secretary of permission approval.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
So the petitioner matter, when his case was not considered against the recruitment year 2011 to the post of ORS Group B, he approached the Learned Tribunal matter. The Learned Tribunal, after hearing the party
tribunal କଣ କହିଲେ
to give the promotion against the recruitment year 2011.
କଣ ground ଦେଇକିରି କହିଲେ
This is the copy, but the
ଆପଣ ପଢିକି ଶୁଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏଡେ ଛୋଟ ଅକ୍ଷର ମୁଁ ପଢିପାରିବି
OA number 1447C of 2013.
କଣ କହିଲେ କଣ ground କଣ
In the above circumstances, the assumption of RDC, that is the response number 3, in his letter dated 17/10/2012, that the remarks of the inquiring reporting officer, very good, have been mentioned as outstanding by the accepting authority, needs to be verified whether such remarks are genuine or should to vested interest and hence appears to be suspicious, appears to be arbitrary and illegal. Law is well settled that an employee cannot claim promotion as a matter of right, nor it is a condition of service, but an eligible employee has a right to be considered for promotion in accordance with relevant rules. Since the applicants fulfill all the eligibility criteria as per Rule 4B and Rule 6, the response number 3 ought to have recommended their names, but not doing so, he has acted in violation of rules. Accordingly, the OA is allowed and the response number 3 is directed to forward the names of the applicant for consideration of their promotion for the recruitment year 2011 in a review selection board. In the event they are otherwise found suitable, they be given promotion with effect from the date other similarly situated employees were promoted, and in such event their pay be fixed in the promotional cadre notionally, and the applicants will be entitled to actual benefit.
It has state challenges.
Yes, madam.
You your order ta state challenge kala.
No, madam.
फिर एठी कौन पाएंगे?
No, sir, they have not given the benefits till date, my lord.
Oh, sir, because they have not given, that's why you have to.
Well, finally, my lord, I may be forgotten.
Yes, sir, 1 minute. When the tribunal said, you should have challenged it. If you are not giving, then why should have challenged it?
Yes, another thing the tribunal on such further action that they are also disposed by this on the 2021. If you say another case.
Same issue पर अपन client के 2-3 दिन
I am the 15 days before I appeared in this case for the petition.
अपन client के ज़्यादा चालांग ना, बहुत smart ले। गुट्टे case रे 2-3 दिन का file कुछ।
This is the order in another case.
You forget about all this.
My lord, after my retirement, the present order has been issued by the Revenue Department by allowing me the benefit of OS in 2020 last para, and in the middle para allowed the ORS group B in 2012. My limited prayer is that since I am eligible in all respects, my date of appointment under as ORS.
Anyway, since there was the order passed by the learned tribunal reckoning with reckoning with the year 2011, and you have not challenged, so just think of from 2000.
I have already retired in 2008 to 2000.
11 एकला आपन कोन फायदा मिलियो?
17 रे आउट ओए फाइल कले, एटा 19 से फाइल को रीड करले। ए ऑर्डर टाइप से दे, ये नॉट टेकन फॉर।
बगा क्लाइंट ना सही माने पागल क्लाइंट है।
सप्रेस कर सब
सब जिंस एंदी सही सेटा को अपन 2 थर काला केंदी हेबो? रेजुडी काटा नहीं की। सेटी कर दुचंदी, एटी कर दुचंदी।
2017 ऑर्डर रीड टू फाइल गिवन फाइल बाय द पिटिशनर।
रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्डर खाली देखि दियो।
13 ओए।
तो रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्डर ला एटा खाली
के कहले जे तमे 12 रे पाइबो ओआरएस आ ओएस पाइबो 20 रे। तो ओएस मते 22 रे देइले। तो 20 को कर देले। सेटा खाली 11 होबो सेति।
तो 11 हेले आपन कोन फायदा आदि कोन होबो?
सर 11 हेले मो ओएस आउट के एंटीडेट देइबो मो जूनियर।
ओएस ऑलरेडी एंटीडेट करछन दबो।
से 22 रू 20 करले।
हां तो फिर
19 रे मो जूनियर पाइते। ओएस पाइते। अनेक्शन कोरे 19 रे मो जूनियर पाइते ओएस। सेति खाली हमन।
आई एम प्लेसिंग वन।
इटारा तो मु करि गलनी 28 2 23। हबुनी।
You examine it. Okay. I would have low same as bujandu. Eta भी दे देंगे कॉपी। एटा भी दियो तो।
हां सर लेके रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट को।
Let him take instruction. If it can be considered from 11 देखो कितनी हला?
एटा 11 होगा एटा 19 होगा।
7 August 7 August 7 August. Next.
Item 34.
Date
तरुण पट्टायक was arguing out of submission everything has
and while it will be listed by
7 August. आपण देले?
I got the तरुण पट्टायक arguing. I've seen the file.
आपण दे दीजिए।
I'm Mudi.
Okay, order. Next.
Annexure page 4 kindly.
आओ मु पढ़िबी ने ऑलरेडी रिजर्व कर साइलेंट आओ पढ़िबी
आउ इतार कॉपी
पेज सेटा केते पढ़िबी
नोट ऑफ सबमिशन कॉपी दे
कॉपी सेमन काई देबे
I am sorry to
आपनो काई देबे नोट ऑफ सबमिशन फॉर द नॉट फॉर दैट सब एटा कोन काउंटर रीजन रे कॉपी आपन देबे जरूरी
किंतु कॉपी देई
दरकार आपन तो इच्छा एटा आपन इच्छा कंपल्सरी नहीं केही चाहिबो देई परिबो न तार इच्छा काउंटर रीजन इज कंपल्सरी नॉट नोट टा कोर्ट में
argument is the note of submission.
नेक्स्ट
Item 35.
35 ता मध्ये थिला आज की नोट ऑफ आर्गुमेंट दो
दियंतु
मु करनी मु काली सकाळे दे दिबी क्लोज कर दनु मु काली कोर्ट मास्टर मु दे
आपण माने छथि मने कर दे देबे
आगे काली फर्स्ट आवर रे कोर्ट मास्टर
नेक्स्ट
Item 36.
36
नोट ऑफ सबमिशन।
बहुत अभी have given मुझे जान स्टेट वाला यूनियन वाला तो दबा नहीं
इन दिन 3 days
केते दिन हेलानी
3 days टाइम काइंडली
ऑलरेडी केते दिन दिया छी आपन
Last week रे
Last week there के last week
शुक्रवार दिन
नोट बनेगा तो काउंटर एफिडेविट तो दिल्ली रे आसीबो कहबो डीजे बने देबो एठी उठे काउंटर एफिडेविट रिजन हला दिल्ली रे आसीबो लोक साइन करिवे लगा एटा को 25 आउथर लगा नाले माने खसी जिवे डेट लगा आउथर डेट मु पछरे गुडे पारिबे लगा 25 तारिख लगा नेक्स्ट
Item 38.
Item 38, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Pari,
Yes, at least come with the note. You have not come. Next.
Item 38.
on behalf of Mr. Pari, my lord, the matter was posted on today for submission of written notes of argument.
Have you given?
We'll file it in the course of the day, my lord.
What is the guarantee that you will give me? क्या guarantee है?
We'll file it today only. The file notes of argument is with me. I will file it in the course of the day to the court master.
यहाँ कोर्ट आने के दे दे file करिया दरकार नहीं कोर्ट देवर अच्छी.
हाँ, court master.
No need to go to the registry. Simply give to the court master.
My lord.
The opposite party. Opposite party के?
Mr. S.K. Padi.
हाँ?
Saroj Kumar Padi.
देनी. Note
I am on behalf of Mr. Saroj Kumar Padi, my lord.
Each petitioner की.
Petitioner दे दीजिए.
दे दीजिए. You are the defaulter. Petitioner is already given.
We'll file it.
आज दे दिया. Okay.
We have the petitioner side. We have given.
Given ना? Okay. ठीक. Order reserve. Next. Next.
Item 39.
Note दले.
Yes, your lordship. We have filed already the affidavit, an additional affidavit with written notes and date chart. We have
ठीक.
filed, but
ठीक.
that has not.
Give it. Order reserve. Next.
Item 41.
41. Non-appears. There are some defects. They have not been cured by the land council petitioner.
No.
Huh? Defect ଅଛି? ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି? କଣ ଅଛି?
Written note file करने के लिए. Written note file करिए बोले time नहीं.
Written note देने?
नहीं.
अरे लगा 2 दिन पर आता लगा 25th लगा. काहे लिखना है written note का लिखा है नहीं बाबू? भाई लिखना. लगाई थी? हाँ हमारे इसके लिखा है.
ना लिखा है.
हाँ?
लिखा है.
अलग 25 लगा. Next.
Item 42.
42 26 लगा. 42.
Lordship. In this writ application, Lordship, the petitioner has sought for quashing of the order by the annexer 6, wherein a disciplinary proceeding, his pension has been stopped in full and permanently.
आर्ग्यू आपण करथिले नोट खाली देवार थिला दियन
नाइ नोट नाइ से जो सेकंड शोकज रे जोटा फास्ट शोकज टा टिके लॉर्डशिप टिके देखि देबे रिमेंबर कर देबे लॉर्डशिप से
directly of the instruction whether second shokaj was issued
yes
issued before inflicting punishment by the government withholding
permanently.
You have got
that part. I got instruction. SP has issued second shokaj proposing punishment of forfeiture of 100% for 2 years, and the petitioner filing shokaj. Thereafter, as he has retired from service, the matter was placed before the government, and the government has inflicted punishment forfeiture of 100% for all time.
But he has filed that reply on the second shokaj.
Reply in the so far SP issued the shokaj and he has replied.
No, second shokaj. Before you, before you impose punishment, you are supposed to issue a notice.
Yes, SP was the disciplinary authority while he was in service. So SP has issued so-called first forfeiture of 50% of pension for 2 years.
No, no, that was
That
first
was
one.
before the government.
Second, I mean,
government
second
declared.
so-called.
Yes, second was, again, the SP has issued so-called proposing 100% for 2 years. And he submitted so-called, but the government has revised, enhanced it to 100% for all terms. But before that, government has not issued another so-called. That is the technicality so far this case is concerned.
Lordship, may kindly see Rule
So in the
31 of the CCA, Orissa Civil Services, CCA Rules 1962. Rule 31. They have taken this plea that under Rule 31, the governor has the power to review. So,
That is there, if you approach, then the governor can review. If you approach.
Lordship, they have taken that plea and accordingly it was reviewed. They have stated in their counter.
So that is different. That is at the end. That is like
Yes.
mercy petition. When you are approaching the governor, it is like mercy petition.
No, Lordship, please kindly appreciate what has happened. The disciplinary proceeding.
I'm not saying mercy petition like in the other sense.
No,
I'm
no.
saying that is the
No, I'm not also on that point. My point herein is that, Lordship, before the infliction of the punishment, Rule 1510 mandates that a shockage will be issued to the delinquent official.
Correct.
Accordingly, first a shockage was issued, which is wide annexure 5. Na? First shockage was issued as to why 50% of his pension will not be withheld for a period of 2 years. That was the first shockage. The disciplinary authority, after filing of the shockage by the delinquent official, did not take any decision, kept the matter pending, and 2 years thereafter, he issued another shockage stating as to why your pension, 100% of your pension will not be stopped for a period of 2 years.
The first shockage
Was for
you
50% for 2 years.
You replied.
I replied.
You replied, then they didn't take any action.
Did not take any decision.
So that
Then-
they are sitting about that, and then again they issued.
Again
another
they
shockage.
issued. So challenging that, because the issuance
What
of
what is the
second-
reason for issuing again another second
Here,
shockage?
once the government employee retired, if the state government is the competent authority to impose punishment or anything under Rule 7.
That's
of the
fine, but
pension.
I'm asking a different
Yes.
question. I'm asking, what
Yeah.
was the requirement for the second shockage?
Yes.
When you had issued the first shockage,
The SP, the SP has issued, he was the disciplinary authority.
that is
That
their
get
internal
issued.
thing,
He
SP.
placed the matter.
Why, what are the need for
Yes.
the second?
He placed the matter before the government for approval. Government returned back it to. the
Government mean
SP.
home,
Yes,
Department of Home.
yes. Return back to the SP saying that this is lesser punishment, so you.
Enhance the punishment.
Yes, enhance the
So
punishment.
therefore, second
Then
shockage.
SP again issued so-called proposing 100% withheld of pension for 2 years. That
After-
he replied. That was again placed before the government. The government on its own accord hold that no, as he has been convicted in a vigilance case, his pension should be forfeited for all time to pass. According to government has imposed punishment.
Lordship.
Under Rule 7 of the pension.
Lordship, now, Lordship, as Lordship got the point. So the issuance of the second shockage wide annexure 1 was challenged in this writ application originally. And when it was challenged on the ground that once you have issued a shockage, then the power is exhausted. The issuance of another notice utilizing the power does not lie. And accordingly, when it was challenged during the pendency of the writ application, the order wide annexure 6 was passed, stopping the 100% the total pension permanently for all time to come. And accordingly, the writ application was amended. and annexure 6 was being challenged. Is being challenged. Now, Lordship, my learned friend stated that the government did not agree. So nothing prevents the government from reviewing the order once a final order is passed, and the government can enhance the payment, the penalty. There is no bar, but Rule 31, Lordship may kindly see Rule 31 proviso, first proviso 1. I'm pressing, Lordship. An order imposing or enhancing a penalty shall not be passed unless the person concerned has been given an opportunity of making any representation which he may wish to make against such enhanced penalty. Then, Lordship, there is a circular of the government regarding this. I am pointing out the circular is in the book. Whether the delinquent officer will be allowed for the second time to show cause. In reply to that, this is the P&S Department memo number 916 within bracket 17, general dated 21/1958. And this circular says, para 2 of the circular I am reading out, it is therefore requested that the disciplinary authorities should specifically mention in the second show cause notice the particular punishment which is proposed to be awarded to the delinquent officer. They should also take care to see that the penalty eventually inflicted is either the same or lesser in degree than that which was proposed to be inflicted, and in no case heavier. This is in violation of the circular of the government.
Okay, we give a note.
Note more deichi, written note file.
One thing, after retirement, pension rule will be governed. And as per Rule 7, the state government reserves to themselves the right.
Okay, give your note.
Give a note.
You have given?
I have given the note. 8 এখানে দেখে এই তরটা
কোড করছেন এটা
नहीं এটা ঠিক
जोड़ा
যদি মু এডিশনাল আউট দি
কে আউট দি দে কোড
আগে
এডিশনাল পুরা ফাইনাল করে আউট বল
আউট ফাইনাল
with all this
tomorrow I will final
ये rule और section कोड
आगे tomorrow I will final
कल दे देंगे ताले
आगे
next
कल लोग रिव्यू कर
कल नोट पे कल लोगे दूसरे
आगे
next
item 45
काली ने आउट दिन एक्स्ट्रा दोछी आपण आराम से करो मु फ्राइडे कर दोछी
काली भी मु दे देबी
आपण दे देले भलो कथा still if you are busy man I know that but if you want more time I can give you but notes should come properly yes next
item
Item 45, I am for the petitioner. I had filed my written note of submission and state has also filed. It is the center who has to file and had taken.
In fact, I am under impression your lordship reject the judgment. I am 10th. I already deposited with the court. I'm
all of them fine enjoyment
yes
next
your lordship in the last order I have gone through your lordship directed to file counter by the Union of India within 7 days. My lord,
आपण फाइल कर टाइम मागितलं नाही
no, my lord. We are well filed counter on behalf of opinion of the CARA.
याला गला
That may be.
Obliged.
46
46
My lord, on behalf of Prasad was kindly pass for me.
okay pass next
item 47
7
My lord, 46, I was just coming. My lord, I've got 2 judgments of this honorable court. My lord, let me go through it. Your lordship may call it a week after so that I can assist your lordship.
एक जजमेंट पढ़ने के लिए 2 हफ्ता वाह
Sir, to address you, I have to be fully prepared. I know the counter blast will come from there.
judgment
Sir, I am not worried for my respected friend.
okay 30th कर दीजिए 30 petition.
Then I'll file the counter, my lord, to bring other records.
Yeah.
So little more time.
So let it come on 6th then.
6th August.
My lord, I am not worried for my brother. I'm worried for the court because the counter blast will be coming from the
No,
court.
counter will come from there.
No, counter blast from that side, my lord.
No blast, only counter. Next,
Item 47.
May I please, Your Lordship?
7.
Your Lordship, this is a matter regarding to issuance of loan closure certificate as well as the refund of excess amount, that is, Your Lordship kindly have a glance to the.
glance.
Yes.
Bank matter बन गया glance नहीं सीधा.
Yes.
Open.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Upfront बात करो खत्म करो. आपण देना थी. सब देना थी.
The fact is that I have called him for the to attend Lok Adalat. My lord knows very well what meant Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat means some relief we are interested to give him, come and pay that amount. And fortunately, he has also annexed the statement of account. That amount, while writing its Lok Adalat interest, it mentioned that principal plus interest. But in fact, up to this happened in 9/9/2023. But statement of account, my lord, it will say it is crystal clear. Interest has been calculated for 24/9/2013. The principal says that after the account become declared NPA, no reflection of the interest will be there. But that when the issue has the Lok Adalat there, inadvertently it has been mentioned principal plus taking advantage of that after paying that amount, and we have accepted it after payment of that amount, and we have demanded if you are interested to that that it should not be reflected in the CIBIL, as well as if you are interested to close the account, so you can come up with another 15,000 for closing the account. You have to pay the total dues as on date. So based upon that, he has come up before this Hon'Ble Court challenging that they have mentioned that principal and interest. So how they are demanding extra? But it is page 12 is clear. Up to 24/9/2013, interest has been calculated. His document, annexure 3, and thereafter he has paid 15,000 on 16/1/2024. He is asking that, taking advantage of that particularly wording, he is asking that to direction for a refund of the 15,000, and that is the dues of the Lok Adalat. My lord knows very well that nobody asks the total amount. Nobody asks for the total amount. We have invited, that is, as we are discussing other matter, that is come the general regular OTS. So once we are calling you, without giving you relief, you will come. We have declared that this will be amount to be paid for settlement of the Lok Adalat. But there we have mentioned principal plus interest.
No, Your Lordship.
That advantage he had taken, and my counter
This is not an advantage, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly have a glance to the notice of the Lorraine Lok Adalat.
Yes,
Your Lordship. ଅଦ୍ୟାବଧି ଋଣ ସୁଧ ମିଶିକି
କେତେ ପଇସା ତମ ଦେବାର ଅଛି?
No, Your Lordship, I have paid all amount, Your Lordship. 26,388. Yes, Your Lordship.
ଟିକେ ମାରୁଅ ଟିକେ ମାନେ କାଇଁ ହଉଛ? I am just trying to sort it out. ନହେଲେ ତମେ ସିଧା ରିପିଟିସନ ଭଗେଇ ଦେବି, ବେଶ ପାର୍ଟ ପଡିବ, ସିଧା ଡିସମିସ୍ କରିଦେବି, କିଛି ନଥିଂ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରିବିନି। ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟରରେ ସେମିତି ବି we are free to dismiss at any time. Don't rule just like that. बैंक रे रीड कोर्ट रा भूमिका बहुत कम. Still you are just unnecessary. Still I am entertaining. I am trying to solve your issue.
Yes,
so, he has already paid.
No, my lord, can we see for a moment further?
So total दे दीजिए सब.
No, total नहीं. He has to pay something.
कितने?
Now it is total another 3 to 4 lakhs. Yes.
आगर अपना आगर सब कहले नहीं.
नहीं ये तो जेतोड़ जो दिन हमें पठेलु लोक अदालत नोटिस
ଆପଣ ଲୋକ ଯଦି ଯେତିକି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେବା କଥା ସବୁ କାଲକୁଲେଟର ପଠେଇବେନି
ଲୋକ
ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ହଠାତ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ସବୁ ଆସୁଛି
ମାଇଲର ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଅଲୱେଜ ଇଟ୍ସ ଏ ଖାଲି ମାଇଲର ଏଠି ଅଦର ନୋଟିସରେ ନଥାଏ ଏଇଥିରେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଋଣ ଓ ସୁଧ
ଆପଣ ଋଣ ସୁଧ ମିଶେ ଯାହା ବି ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ଫାଇନାଲି ସେଟଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
settle the we are ready to give the settlement certificate that we don't now he is telling that minor if it will be settled by the OTS, thus it will be reflected in the CIBIL. So unless you will close the account by paying the full amount, see it will not reflect. It is an automatic system. That is a bank has nothing.
Sir, automatic system ए मतलब technology ज्ञान दियंतुनी. मतलब simple गुटे कथा कहंतु. लोक अदालत रे तमे आपण केते पैसा देबा
we have settled. We have settled, my lord.
ମୋ କଥା ସରିନି ଆପଣ କେତେ amount ଦେବାକୁ କହିଲେ
26,388
ହଁ
26,388
but that is the full and final settlement
yes your lordship they have mentioned it in 26,388 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେୟ ଅଛି ସେଥି ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଆପଣ 13,194 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ଋଣ ମୁକ୍ତ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉଟା କି ମୁଁ full amount ଦେଇଥିଲି 26,500
ଲୋକ ଦାଲ
thereafter yes your lordship
ପରେ
yes
ଲୋକ ଦାଲ ସେଟଲ ହେଲା
yes
ଆଉ
your
ଗୋଟେ
lordship
amount what is this
My lord, his document, kindly see.
sir ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେଖିବିନି ମୋ simple କଥା ହେଲା when you are fixing a particular amount if you pay this amount you will be totally I
yes
mean
lordship
out of the debt right तो जेतले आपण निजे गोटे अमाउंट कहउछंती आफ्टर लोक अदालत पासेस द ऑर्डर कि नहीं आपण सरी गला पुनी हटा देना नहीं एति पैसा अछि एटा कोन आ ये टेक्निकल जिंस लोक साधारण लोकटे आइबो गां गहली लोकटे आसीबो चासी लोकटे आसीबो एते ज्ञान देबे मोर टेक्नोलॉजी हमर एंदी देखाउची हमर एंदी से बुझिबो
से आगे
से
बुझिची
सिंपल बुझिबो
नहीं आगे बुझिची बुझिकी 15,000 देइची एइखने पुडी आसी कि ना परे आसी कहूची 15,000 रिफंड करो
आपण केते एबे तो 2 लाख 3 लाख कहलिनी मते
15,000 टका नहीं नहीं सॉरी 2 लाख नय सम थाउजेंड सॉरी मैडम 15,000 he has paid
2 लाख 3 लाख एबे कहउतले
no मैडम say that is wrong
एंड कंफ्यूज करंतु
yes lord
आपण लोक अदालत सला पर कोर्ट र किछि इंटरफेयर करबिनी जा कर जे ऑर्डर काई कर
order नहीं notice टा अछि लोक
नोटिस
annexure 2 your lordship
अन्नेस लोक अदालत को पे फाइनल
Yes, sir.
फाइनल एगर दुई पार्टी मिसी
ସେମାନେ ପୁଣି କହିଛନ୍ତି-
सिक्रेट गेला नहीं आमे अधिक दिउ काई की देबो से कमे देबो
एतिकी दियो से कन्विंस से आसीला डिस्कशन कला परे 15,000 डिपॉजिट कला
no no
तापर
discussion
तुमको पळेला ताको रिफंड करो
They have
15,000
compelled-
टका
they have
Is
compelled
where is that refund
No, no, no.
15,000
Your lordship, they
so
have
my lord can may direct the bank to accept that 15,000 and close the account that can be solve the problem 15,000 admitting the due he has paid the 15,000 why he has paid further
they
15,000
they have
if he is not
already
convinced
paid na
no
हाँ
no, your lordship,
15,000 paid
they have compelled me to pay 15,000 if you want to improve your civil score
तो सिविल स्कोर पे से जो
after 15,000
अरे बाबा
further demanding
बुझो ना सिविल स्कोर एति पे जे व्हाट इज योर बिजनेस कोन करन दे
your lordship kisan
कोन करन
farmer your lordship
फार्मर सिविल स्कोर कमिला बढ़िला
so that is the system आगे RBI guidelines
सिविल स्कोर कमिला के बढ़िला आपण कोन जाउची
RBI guidelines so
आरबीआई गाइडलाइन आपण
generally no account will not be closed civil will
सिविल
continue
स्कोर पे आपण काय पैसा एक्स्ट्रा
yes your lordship
नहीं सिविल नले उठिबो नहीं आमे कोन उठाउछु ताको
पुणी annex
that is the automatic system computerized system the civil will roll only civil gets to pay
से सफर करे आपण कोन जाउची
yes your lordship
ते मु तो कहू नहीं किछि मु तो आमे तो
Yes,
कहू
sir.
क्लोज हो गेला अकाउंट
counter रे पुणी जो
आमे 15,000 रिफंड कर देबो आमे we are ready and willing to refund that 15,000 but that civil will continue she has come that civil काढिया
no no your
अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज सेज जान तू
already we have I got the
your
instruction
plan is also
your lordship kindly have a glance your lordship they have
closure of the loan account as taken by the petitioner as per the Kisan credit card scheme and despite the full payment of loan, full and final payment of the loan amount, the offering part number 2, demanding more money without following due procedural law. This is a ground.
yes your lordship
Okay, land council of the bank submit that the bank has already closed the account,
close already accepted and settled the account
already accepted and settled the account. However, what?
your lordship they have further demanding that 15,000 rupees and also adding the in their counter your lordship more than that is 16,828 that is outstanding they have given this document
Settle ହେଇଗଲା outstanding गुडे.
पुणी ସେଟା ପେନ୍ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି computerized statement ବି ନାହିଁ ପେନ୍ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇକି add କରା
Okay, be that as it may, this court doesn't find doesn't find any merit in the argument of the bank that the petitioner should pay further amount.
or with
If the
regard to
petitioner
civil
is to suffer any any downgrading of civil score, let the petitioner suffer, and this court is not going to
lordship if such order will be passed against the farmer your lordship kisan credit card ରେ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ କହିଲେ ପୁଣି ତା ଦେହରେ କହିଲେ କି ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟିଭ ରିମେଡି ଅଛି ତମେ ଯଦି ଋଣ ପରିଶୋଧ କରିଦବ ତମର ବାହାରେ ଆଉଟ ଅଫ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ ତାହେଲେ ତମେ କର ସେଟା ପୁଣି ଅଛି ଏନବି ରେ your lordship
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଶୁଣୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁଛି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାଡ୍ जे गले किसान के खत्म कले गले खत्म रहे काई आसे देटी
से आहुरी डिमांड करछन इंटरेस्ट
दे डिमांड
आई एम नॉट गोइंग जे डिमांड कला बैंक संगे झगड़ा लागो पुलिस केस करो आउ नॉट बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन को जाओ मु किछ करबी देखो at this juncture this court doesn't find any merit in the reputation dismiss खत्म तो छाड़ और टाइम वेस्ट ए कोर्ट रो आउट कॉस्ट पकेबा कथा चलो नेक्स्ट नो मेरिट प्लीज गो सॉरी ए कौन एटा कोर्ट को आपण कोन भाबी छथि रिट पिटिशन रो मजाक उडी छथि आपण माने जेगिरी पड़े को 5000 15000 10000 में आज कोर्ट पळे छथि से लॉयर ताठू तो आपण फीस देथिबो से 20000 15000 रे कोथे होत बसिल लोगडा नहीं ना नहीं तो पिछु छाड़ दे क्लाइंट को जा दे 15000 खत्म करबो छाड़े पळे आसन दे केस गुडा आना नहीं have some sense. This court doesn't find any merit in this petition. Dismiss. Good काम करो. Dismiss करो. The petitioner to approach the bank for the redressal of his grievance, and the bank shall consider his grievance according to disposal. Yeah. Hala. Yeah.
In advance.
बुझे से बुझे. Yeah. कौन है तो बस घर कॉली कला वाले ऐसे कोर्ट को पड़े उससे court you have become just make it ready to JMFC court रो तोड़ा लेवल नहीं आइलनी हां जल्दी तमर अस्पताल जानो ओम्बुड्समैन कम अछि जा सेठी जा छाड़ I have better thing to do not the petty things next
55 but enter
55 हां yes in the
No. Time fix.
Lord, the report has come, Lord. We may be served with a copy of the report, Your Lordship.
that engineer
Lordship.
Ajay
My Lord.
tell him take a bit 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock
Sir, I 57. Next time,
50.
57 next week he'll be able to can do preemptory
51.
57.
आज करिवे तो next week वो you are ill मोर next week I am ill no preemptory order नहीं
Sorry, man. Obligation.
51
only written submission should be
41 और सीधा ये फाइल करने से आए 41
मिलर 51
regional selection नहीं जा
regional fail कर
51 run to confuse about it 41 written submission
by this
हाला
Item 50, the 2 weeks time, counter
regional fail कर
50 50 2 weeks time granted
opportunity
letter complaint
My Lordship, item
7th May sorry 7th August
item number 52, my Lordship.
50
Item number 52, counter have not been filed by the opposite party, not to Gujarat police.
I am filing the 4 minutes, I am filing the counter minutes.
Yes.
Opposite 2, I am filing the
Bank has filed, but Gujarat police have not filed.
फाइल करिवनी आपण डिफ्रीज कर देबी आपण पैसा रखि दे छाड़ दे
सेटा अकाउंट क्लोज नहीं खाली टंकाटा लेन मार के 70
to the extent of 72 we have lane back to us.
यदि हेजी त तार कोन असुविधा
तापर हम ऑपरेशन करे तो
आपण ऑपरेट करिवे कोन
ऑपरेशन अछि बैंक ऑपरेशन
अछि ना
आया already 5 months have been
अरे ठीक है लिस्ट मैटर ऑन 5th कर
By 51, my lord, the AD has not been back from the main opposite party.
आया अच्छे तो आशीर्वाद देखिए
My lord.
या तो है yes
Yes, my lord, I am from the petitioner.
Namaste.
And since
Case is counsel, my lord, I pray one thing, that I entered after today.
टाइम फाइम मांगन तो ना टाइम थोड़ा और बाकी जहां वाला में रेडी
Thursday I'll file the count.
नो बिल्कुल 2017 matter 7 years ago
Notice of 2023, my lord. I do admit it. I beg.
2023 रे कॉल तो 2024
Yes, sir.
कथा
Because it is a mistake by the office did not, so officers are not responsible. In this case, counter is necessary and counter of the state is.
which office this is which office
The president and the secretary.
Huh?
President and secretary.
Central Urban
Of
Cooperative
the
Society Bank.
United Puri Nimapura Central Cooperative. On Thursday, I will file the count.
আমার নোটিস গেলে আপনাদের আপনাদের কি রেসপন্ড করিবা শিখি নান্তি কি মানে
Yes, well, that is a mistake.
when the high court sends notice your the bank doesn't know how to respond to the notice.
Mistake by the clerks and the officers.
Huh?
Mistake by the clerks and they will take
The
action.
clock the mistake then you will suffer. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସ୍ ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲୟର ଏଙ୍ଗେଜ କରିବା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସଫର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ପାସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଆକର୍ଡିଙ୍ଗଲି
But today, my lord, it may be, excuse will be given and on Thursday, I will file the counter. I undertake that I will file the counter on Thursday.
ठीक है, let him file the counter. Let consider the opposite party bank
Yes, opposite party for 3 and
3
4. Both.
3 and 4 6 to 1 week time to file the counter affidavit.
He is saying, madam, on Friday.
Sir, it's 1 day ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି କେତେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଜାଣିଛି ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ହପ୍ତା ଦେଲା ଫେର ଆସିକି ଟାଇମ ମାଗିବି କଣ ପାଇଁ ମାନିଗଲେ ଗଲା କଣ ଆଉ 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ 7 ବର୍ଷ କିଛି ହେଲା 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ 10 ଟା
He is saying that he will be filing by
ତ କଣ
Thursday.
ହେଲା ମୁଁ 7 ଦିନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଦଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
I may be pardon.
ଏତେ ଦିନ ୱେଟ୍ କଲେ 7 ବର୍ଷ 3 ଦିନରେ ଆପଣ
Yes,
heaven is going to
yes,
fall
madam.
ଆଉ फिर why are you saying so all this I'm granting you 1 week
Yes,
let him
yes,
file you might look into some paper something ଦରକାର ପଡିପାରେ
Yes, yes.
you can't be 3 days ରେ ହଉନି ସବୁ this is the matter on 31st July ହେଲା okay. The personal appearance of the key ମାନେ
3 and 4, president of and secretary.
president and secretary of the Puri Nimapada
Central Cooperative.
Central Cooperative Bank dispense with. But nobody was appearing, that's why I called them. Otherwise, I don't want to call them unnecessarily. Okay, next. 31st. 31st. Don't take further time.
In the meantime, I will solve the count.
Yes, sir. जितने जल्दी है फाइल कर देंगे. Okay, next.
Item
Thank you.
48.
फास्ट केस रे मादी काउंटर फाइल करछि बाकी तीनटा केसेस माने 19/7 रे मते काउंटर कॉपी देइछन
Sorry.
फर्स्ट केस रे टुडे आई एम फाइलिंग द रिजॉइंडर सेकंड थर्ड और फोर्थ केस रे से माने 19/7 रे मते काउंटर पिटिशनर योलरशिप
Petition पे. तो फास्ट रिजल्ट फाइल करछन दियो. तापर
बाकी तीनटा केसेस से 19 तारिख रे मते काउंटरटा देइछन 19/7 रे डाउट के
okay, let us consider the petition.
Actually, prohibited to
2 weeks time to file the counter. 14th August. Hala, 14th August. 8th दिन अंदर सब.
I am for the 2 to 4. I am for the staff health insurance.
Oh, you file a rejoinder penny. Hala.
Counter already file कर दी. ये rejoinder से.
Oh, sorry. Counter आपने file ली.
आगे.
हाँ ठीक है, let him file the rejoinder. क्या बोले 7th August को.
7th August.
Next.
Item 51.
51, I am on behalf of opposite but not to bank. Pray for 3 weeks time for filing counter. I am appear kulu ebe.
Okay, let us consider the opposite party bank 3 weeks time to file the counter. List the matter on 23rd August.
Okay.
Next.
Item 53.
That is a matter that assessment proceeding under the Electricity Act 2003 covered by your lordship's order. The Lord and DCDRC Annexure 4, page 47, the interim order that has set aside the final assessed amount.
What is the matter about?
Matter that during inspection it was found that he was consuming unauthorized power by bypass.
I am not issuing notice directly. I am the passing order.
That notice has been issued in that matter.
Notice issued. Asi. Despite notice was issued non-appeals for the petitioner. Notice service issued. Any? Non-appeals petitioner. Any instruction will like 1 week time be granted to the appeals party to appear. This is the matter on 6th August.
The interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue. Next.
Item 58.
Date.
May I please, Your Worship? My lord, in this case, the petitioner filed this application
Yes,
seeking
Union of India.
Union of India.
Who is for the petitioner?
ଏଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ issue. ସେ payment already ହେଇଗଲାଣି.
I'll close it.
My lord.
Okay. And consider the Union of India, Mr. Professor, next submit that. Since the payment has, payment है
ତାର land ଗୋଟେ acquire ହେଇଥିଲା for use of land, underground use, pipeline project.
Okay.
Annexure A/1 ତାଙ୍କର no objection. Payment ଟା ହେଇଛି annexure A/2 series.
The petitioner, who is the resident of the village Tilai Pasi under Tahsil Riamal district Devgarh, has filed the present writ petition, seeking a direction to the opposite party. Number 3, to renovate the land meant for agriculture, which was used at the time for laying the gas pipeline underground gas pipeline. So, land concept land concept of the Union of India. In the meantime, where's the proof?
My lord, annexure 2 series, page 7. Page 7.
In the meantime, the petitioner has been paid the compensation amount.
Total my lord 33,469.
Proof
Dita deposit ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ 30,469. Another annexure 2 series, page 7 and page 8. Page 7 of my counter affidavit.
Counter?
My lord. And page 10 is his no objection that he has already
the opposite party has already paid the compensation amount to the petitioner.
ଗୋଟେ transaction ରେ 30,469, another transaction 3,145. And annexure na page 10.
The competent authority has already done the assessment of the eligible compensation, which comes to rupees 33,623, and this sum has been paid to the petitioner on 27/5/2024 through his bank account number 3458-336-2226.
Well, and petitioner also given no objection. He has no.
Petitioner has also
Page 10.
Page 10.
GLND द्वारा अधिकृत होइतिबा प्लॉट नंबर 100 କରାଯାଇଥିବା ଅସ୍ଥାୟୀ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ପୁନରୁଦ୍ଧାର କରାଯାଇ ଜମିକୁ ପୂର୍ବପରି ଚାଷ
And the
ଉପଯୋଗୀ
petitioner has
କରାଯାଇଛି.
also given his no objection.
He has no claim. No claim.
His no claim over the said land as per annexure A/3. As per the letter and as per the application made to the competent authority by the petitioner on 27/5/2024. Hence, this petition is rendered in process of this.
Okay.
Next.
Item 59.
59.
In this case, I am for the petitioner.
I am for the opposite party. Today I am by filing Bhaklatana Mama.
एठी थोड़े फाइल करिवे आगे अकाउंट नाम सेठी फाइल करिवे
Okay.
सब सेठी सब एठी
Name may be reflected.
हां नेम में भी reflect
Biswajit Mahapatra.
फाइल करिवे ना Subhishajit Ma we have a OP number
Sole opposite party.
16 এটা কোন কেস এটা সেটা কোন
Compensation.
Workplace रे municipality employee का municipality employee काम करला बेले employee
କାନ୍ଥ ଖସି ପଡିଲା ଆଲିଗେସନ କାନ୍ଥ ଖସି ପଡିଲା
ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଅଲରେଡି ଟଙ୍କା ସିଏ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଗେଟିଂ ପେନସନ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଅଲରେଡି ଦିଆ ହେଇଗଲାଣି 10,50,000 ଦିଆ ହେଇସାରିଲାଣି 2 weeks time to file counter.
ठीक अछि आपण खाली से प्रूफ दे देबे तो कोन
आगे
आपण कोन चाहछथि
काउंटर देले हम ताको रिजेक्ट करते
आ केते काउंटर रिजेंडर करिवे पैसा दे देले मैटर खत्म क्लोज
पैसा दे दे मुझे क्लेम करछि
पैसा दे देली बरे
ना पूरा पैसा
आपण दे देते
10,50,000 टका दिया है
चीफ टंकाटा
केते
मान कहउछन देइछन
केते टका पाइबे आपण
हमर एम्प्लॉय इंश्योरेंस एक्ट 15 लाख मिनिमम पाइबा କଥା
तो अवार्ड हेछि
अवार्ड है
अच्छा फिर आपण एम्प्लॉय इंश्योरेंस अप्लाई करे कथा करे ना
काउंटर फॉर्म 200 फॉर्म
फाइल करो
इंस्ट्रक्शन
ठीक है फाइल करो सेकंड 20th अगस्त को अप्लाई नेक्स्ट
लास्ट 3 PM को
The lordship, let it come another day. My lords may give us a copy of the report, my lord.
seal cover with it.
then कौन लगता है
Seal cover with
नहीं
it.
राइट he should seal cover
Learned senior will appear. I just
ठीक
is in on his election.
है seal cover टा खाली खोलो देखिए
खुला खुला खुला
खोला ଗୋଟେ କପି
ଗୋଟେ
ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେ ଦେ ଫଟୋ କପି କରିକି let him go through then senior ବି share କରିଦିଅ
Sir.
এই কপিটা ସେ ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
କାଲି କି ପରଦିନ କେବେ ଆପଣ ସିନିୟର ଫ୍ରି ଅଛି ସେ ପରଦିନ କରିଦଉଛି
My lord, Friday maybe.
फ्राइडे I don't know problem फ्राइडे को ठीक है 2 PM कर not 3 PM 2 PM बहुत समय सरी जाଉଛି 3 PM अननेसेसरी वेट କରିବାକୁ पड़ुଛି डिस्टेंस रे अछि एते पाखरे नहि एते पाखरे से जो रिपोर्ट आगर आस्तिला this report says that it's not very near ମୁଁ ଏଥି ପାଇଁ जो लॉयर कमिशनर ना इंजीनियर तो इंजीनियर काम करिवो लॉयर इंजीनियर वाला डेंजर सेति पे मु एथि आउथरे एटे करे कली सेति पे हम किउडे लॉयर जने आसिबे अछि लॉयर इंजीनियर तांको मु लॉयर इंजीनियर नोनी he is not writing engineer but लिखुछन लॉयर अछि ER लिखुछन this is not permissible you are one professional of one body that is bar council of India how can you write ER you can't write a doctor I can understand you is a doctor is you medical doctor they also can write ये जो PhD डॉक्टर लिखि परिबे डॉक्टर ठीक अछि किंतु ER लिखुछंती ये जो आगर जो कहते ER लिखा होछि बहुत लोग ER लिखुछंती बार काउंसिल कहीं किछि करूनी मु जानबे आपने कोन तो बार काउंसिल वाला हाउ कैन यू परमिट ER टू बी लॉ होछि इंजीनियर कहीं लिखिबो माने इंजीनियर लॉयर मु सेति पे ये कहली कि इंजीनियर लॉयर हला ठीक गड़बड़ देखो यहाँ का रिपोर्ट डिफरेंट आसी ये तो इंडिपेंडेंट लोग ना ये तो कुछ लेना देना नहीं ना दिस पार्टी ना दैट रिटायर्ड लोग पुराना लोग ही इज वेरी रिनाउंड माने भलो रेपुटेशन थिला लोग दैट्स व्हाई फाउंड आउट कॉपीटा दे दिया
My lords.
let the registry share a copy of the
report on both on state as well
with the state as well as the petition.
petition.
List matter day after tomorrow.
Friday first.
Friday.
अच्छा sorry Friday. Friday कर दे. Friday 2 PM.
My lords.
We go through that
Lordship, right.
and I'll get the comparison of the earlier report and this also.
My lords.
Okay. Now, ये हो जाएगा. Because କିଛି ନାହିଁ ୟା ପାଇଁ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇଛି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ପ୍ରୁଭ ହେବା ଦରକାର ନା
My lords.
ଏଥିରେ ରିପୋର୍ଟରେ ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଅଛି ୟା ପାଇଁ ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହବାର ପସିବିଲିଟି କମ ବୋଲି ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି। That means he has a different report.
Both the reports are different.
But earlier report ମୁଁ that's why I didn't believe. This is lawyer ଜଣେ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
Causality was also not mentioned in the first report. The cause why it happened, that was also not mentioned.
Not
Exactly.
mentioned here, he has mentioned everything.
No, no.
ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ actually ଦରକାର ସେ ଜିନିଷ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
Not sure.
ମାନେ whether remotely or I mean very proximately there is a cause of action of that particular cracking and all that thing there or not, that is what main
Got you.
report say good page sufficient here that anyway you go through it
No,
okay. ठीक है तब Friday
Mal.